Yup, there we go. Now let's check it. See, that's why I do an audio check. That way we know if we're being heard or not. We are being heard. All right, let's go. Good morning, Amelia. Stan. TJP87. Good morning. How do we do here? Vincenzo. Yeah, it's open until 1 p.m. Eastern. 1 p.m. Eastern. What are we doing? Oh, I'm on the wrong chart. I'm like, why is everything missing? Let's go over here to this. Something like that. Let's kind of see how we did overnight here. What do we do? Do we have a big range? I mean, it looks... 81 points. $81 points, not that big. What up, Cove Per? Good morning, Dean. How's it going? I don't feel like I marked that one out very good, but it looks like we did. All right, let's go to the higher time frame, see what we think. Let's get some of this junk off here. Let's just mark out things that stand out, right? That little wick there. That wick there. That wick there kind of stands out. That one. What about that one? Yep, seems okay. All right, we need to go back like, I don't even know, a year maybe? What's to the left? We got, yeah, we got some stuff. Kinda got that wick. Little wickage. Relative equal highs here. All right. Got some stuff marked out. What up, Robert? Good morning. I don't know if I said that already. Sometimes I forget. You guys have that problem? No real news today. I already looked. Let's check out Mancini's levels right quick. I mean, you know, Planet A 6120 to 43 is a flag. All right. Sets up 6154, 6168, 6184. Okay. Got those levels marked out. Good morning, Timbo. How's it going? Prakish. Good morning. So we'll see kind of what happens here at open. We got about 20 minutes. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay. Got the ES marked out. We got the old nasty marked out. And, yeah, we'll see kind of what we get. Bulenox. I don't know what I want to work on today. Do we want to work on a Bulenox eval? I'm not sure. I guess that's probably what we'll do. We'll see. Dun, 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 dun. Good morning, Francis. Barack, how's it going? Jamie, good morning. Been off work for a week debating whether to trade real accounts or not. Jamie, I'd say no real accounts today. You know, my lean today is kind of just a one directional move, probably up. That's kind of my lean, but can we make it up 100 points into the 350s potentially? Probably. We'll see. Music, good morning. Tech T, what up? Stuck day today. I don't know. Usually on these types of days, Coper, on these half days, and there's no news, you're usually just kind of find a direction, you know. Well, actually, let's draw that differently. Usually this kind of happens. We open up, we run right to a level, and then we just kind of grind higher or whatever the direction might be. So it's kind of the way, what I'll be looking for today for this eval. It's my lean. Maybe we push down, swipe the 225s. Maybe we come back down here and clean out the 200s and then start moving up. I don't know. I don't think it'll be, I'd be kind of surprised if it's a range day, but it might be. You never know. So, will rollover happen this week? Does it? I don't know, Dean. I don't think so. I'm not sure. Good morning, Kelly. How's it going, Trader Monk? What up, Pine Tree? 15 to 20 points before you lose the same. Yeah. Pine Tree, are you on this morning? I don't know if you're on. You said you might be. I was watching you last night. I just didn't comment. I did not comment. So we'll see kind of what happens at open. Your voice is shot. Yeah. Design says only goes up. Clarity in the house. Good morning. Yeah, design. I mean, I'm kind of leaning towards up. I mean, we might. I mean, I wouldn't be shocked to see us, maybe sweep the 200 level one more time and then head to the moon. But we'll kind of wait and see what happens. Anybody watch the backtesting video of the 921 cross? It went pretty good. How's it going, Dave? ES made a new high. Yeah, we do have that. ES is much stronger here. I think I only took I think it was like 13 trading days so far, so it's not deep into it, but it was a 76% win rate, which is pretty good. Fish lips, good morning. But that was using some discretion. 50K Bewley, $3,600 Coper. You can take out 1,000. At 4,100, you can max take the payout. Max payout of 1,500. So, starting afresh, 150K with Topstep, 2 of them, Dave. Let's go. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing, Amelia. I actually have already been doing that, but I haven't really been keeping up with the statistics. Like, the winning percentage per se, but seems reasonable. I think next someone suggested doing the same thing on the 2-minute chart. I want to get more data off the 1-minute chart, so I'll probably go another 20 days or so on that back testing session and see what the results are. And then I'll probably switch over to the 2-minute. Someone said try it on the 2-minute And then I'll go for the 50 back test from there. So something like that. You need to speed it up. I mean, that's why I go with the 25K though, Coper, just because you only got to get to 1600. 5 minute for bigger moves. Yeah, we could do that, Amelia. I could try that. I'm not quite sure like what I would use for the take profit and the stop loss. I would have to figure that out, because if you're going for a larger move, you're going to need a larger stop loss, right? So, and we may do things a little differently today on this eval too. I might try doing stuff a little bit differently, just kind of messing around with a few things. And we'll see. Can you still trade into the 2600 after payout? Yeah, of course. Timbo, that's your money still waiting there for you to trade. Bulenox is still 91% off, guys. I think APEX's sell ends. Bulenox go through the end of the month, but APEX's sell ends to Wednesday, right? The 19th. Is it the 19th? I believe. 2 days, and yeah, so you got 2.5 days left on the old APEX sell there. But Bulenox is good through the end of the month, 91% off. If you guys want to rock some evals, use the code MM, as always. Good morning, medicine man. Anyway, you got a heart monitor machine. Trading screen to keep me in check. Yeah, I see Trades by Matt doing that with the heart monitor. They close at 1 Eastern DDM trading. Yeah, no problem. I like Bulenox. I mean, you know, obviously. Heart monitor machine visual screen hookup does help with my psychology. Neo's looking for a long right here. Good luck, Neo. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Oh, man. What up, Ash? Ash, I've been enjoying watching your reviews there, man. It's kind of interesting to see how you trade. It's always fun, like someone who's been in your stream a long time. Ash has been here a long time, and I never really knew how he traded. So I've been watching and seeing kind of like what you're looking for. Is pretty interesting. It's pretty interesting. So always fun to see someone different. But I think the way you're doing it does make I mean, has a lot of, you know, it makes a lot of sense, right? Especially how, like, you stopped out once the 5 minute inverse and stuff like that. I think you're using common sense on your trades, keeping it simple, which I like. So, very nice. Very, very nice. I don't know about the options market, Coper. I think it's probably closed. I think the stock market is actually closed today, right? It's just futures are open, if I'm not mistaken. Someone can help me with that there if I'm wrong, but I think it's actually closed. This chart over here looks kind of funny. The charts are not moving. Yeah, it's probably closed. Yeah. Options and stocks are closed all day. Thanks, Andy and Amelia. Futures do close at 1. So our volume's probably going to be low, but we're here just for a little degeneracy. I don't think I'll be taking any funded trades. I don't think I will. Did you guys see Tom Sabo's Lambo that he purchased? Everybody see that? Tom Sabo's Lambo. Pick a direction. Yeah, it needs to, huh? I was happy for Tom getting a nice car. Getting himself a nice car. Got him a BMW. It's an 09 BMW 5 Series. Tom Sabo is a show-off. He is, for sure. What up, Mad Moxie? Good morning. The BMW sounds better than the Mazda. As he says it. Mazda. Chick magnet. I don't know, Pine Tree. He already has a chick, so he can't be doing that. Good morning, Matt. He already has a chick. He'd be murdered. He'd be murdered. I'm thinking about just calling Tom, just getting him on the phone here. What do you guys think? The initial video about the Mazda, yeah. Get Tom on the phone. Your smart car pinching pennies, let's go. Hey. I used to drive, guys, when I was dating and stuff. I had a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan, and it was nicknamed the Panty Dropper. Let's go. I actually had some women not want to date me because because I drove that. Oh, I didn't care. Show a pic? The granny panties. That's right. Let me see. I don't know if I have a picture of it right away. We can Google it. 2012 Dodge Grand. I mean, this, you know, hey, I'm just saying. This is exactly what mine looked like. This was the color. Check that thing out. Same color and everything. Had the automatic doors. You just pull up at school. You hit the button. You let the kids out. Max didn't like that. But yeah, same wheels. This is exactly same color, everything. Very, very nice. I drove that thing till it couldn't drive anymore, you know. Maxie, come on, man. Seriously? Stow and go. That's right, Matt. All the seats let down. What up, Pon? Yeah, I had a good weekend. Those are the vans your parents told you to stay away from? Probably. There were plenty of activities you could do in that van as far as, you know, going on vacation. Yeah, you guys have a dirty mind. I know what you were I know what you were thinking. Got a dirty mind over here. All right, let's call Tom, see if he answers. Watch. I'm not messaging him or anything. I'm just going to flat out call him. Let's call him and see if he answers. How do I call him? Call. All right, let's turn on the thing.
Maybe Kirk. That could be a thing. Hey, Fresh Delgado.
He's not answering.
Welcome. Well, as I said, it would be awesome to go short and at least try to test the zone at 13. 213. I might even take another chance to go.
He's not answering, here. Guys. $9.25 candle. Whoa. What's going on here? He's not paying me no attention. Dude, answer my call. Hello? Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing over there,
guy? I'm just trying to pretend like someone who knows about trading. I don't know. So I'm just pretending. That's what I'm doing.
Nice. We wanted to get you on the channel over here. Can you guys hear Tom?
Oh. Hello, guys. I hope you guys see. Okay. How do I do that? How do I do that, man?
All right, you guys hear him. Perfect.
Perfect.
He's
Perfect,
sitting in the
perfect.
Bema. He's sitting in the Bema, revving it up.
Man,
Yeah,
I hope you are full porting some accounts today.
I don't
Huh?
know about the full port, but we're gonna trade some evals.
Some evals. Oh my god, that sounds exciting.
Are you doing your full ports on your fundeds?
Yeah. That's my thing, nowadays. And I think it's more exciting, to go full port on funders than evals. I think it's definitely more exciting.
All right, guys. Tom
So
is full porting the fundeds today
yeah,
on stream
or
live. Don't hide it.
on yeah, and everybody just go and check out Methodical Man because he's our celebrity. I mean, what the heck? Where? I'm gonna put the link here.
Tom, Design Knob
What?
wants to know if you're still milking goats.
Yeah, I still do that, but it's only a part-time job. That's like a part-time job, so I still have to, Anyway,
Dave said tomorrow you'll release a video.
no, that's strictly for the OnlyFans page, so not on YouTube. That's not for YouTube.
Listen, you never did your punishment.
What? What kind of pun? Hey, yeah, that's true, man. Oh my God, what will be my punishment? I did lost the. Yeah, I know, I lost that. Yeah, man, what should I
You were
do?
supposed to dress up into your monkey suit and get in the hot tub.
No. That's only for OnlyFans, and I don't have the monk. Last time I thought it's gonna be a penguin suit. What about
Penguin
that?
suit. That's what it was. Yeah, not monkey. I forgot.
Yeah, penguin suit.
Same thing technically.
Yeah, technically, yeah.
Same thing,
Uh,
guy.
Yeah. Of course, we're gonna do something like that. Yeah,
All right,
I'm
Tom.
down.
What's the Tom Sabo guarantee level here this
Yeah,
morning?
yeah. So the Tom Sabo guarantee right now is that we are going to go to the right. That's 100% sure. I can guarantee it's gonna go right. And other than that, the Tom Sabo guarantee is 215. There, I said it. 215.
215.
Or 215, or I am deleting somebody's YouTube channel.
All right, 215. That's kind of an odd call out. 215.
I know. Yeah,
Why?
215.
What do you see at 215? I'm confused.
I don't even know, man.
This wick down here. 8
At
o'clock.
215, I know. At 215, I see a 5-minute bullish order block or demand zone. Yeah.
You see all these wicks down here at 200, though. I think we run this level. A lot of wicks down there, kind of like
even
in the
better.
200s.
The low of the zone is 200.50, but it starts at 215. So that's what I think.
All right, everybody, short right now to
Short
215.
full port.
And
Exactly.
if it
full
does
port.
not hit, Tom Sabo will send everyone 1 million for rent.
Yeah.
That's
Maybe.
half the cost of. So the cost of the BMW was 2 million for rent.
Oh
right?
yeah. So you can buy a half BMW on that.
Here we go. There's the push lower. Did everybody get short?
I told you guys.
You're gonna get a bounce right here, though. Hold on. Wait for it.
Hey, No Profit Trader. Hey, Jason and everybody. I forgot to say hello to everybody. Welcome to the stream.
Pine Tree said he's fading you. He's long.
He's long. All right. I don't care. Pine Tree. Don't worry. He's long. All right. Let's hope everybody wins here. I'm actually short. Here's my short trade from 243.50. I don't have a stop loss on it because I don't care about tomorrow. So 22. Yeah.
Am I on the
215,
wrong account? 85. All right, let's get in there. Let's get in there.
So 215.75 is my TP, to be exact. I always like to put the TP a few ticks higher. So 215.75 is my take profit. Yeah.
As is mine.
And if I win, you delete your channel.
No. If I get
That's
stopped
how we
out,
do it, man.
if I get stopped out break even, you delete your channel.
No. That's not a good deal, man.
Oh, I got stopped break even. Tom's gone.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
Trev.
wish.
I think we go higher too, but we'll see. Did it hit your TP yet, Tom? It just came and stopped me out and
Almost.
then went.
Almost. It's going. It's going.
Pushing lower.
It's gonna go there, man. I told you. The Tom Sabo guarantee never fails.
Well, it did.
50% of the time, every time.
Okay, that's what I was going to say. Because it did fail a couple of weeks ago, and there was supposed to be something with you and a goat. I don't know.
Yeah, but as I said, that's for OnlyFans, you know.
You and some
So-
sort of a goat. I don't know.
Yeah, it's about a goat and me, but as I said, that's only for paid members.
Paid members of the OnlyFans. I'm going to go for the 200 level. Why not? You know
All
what
right.
though?
All
You
right.
are smart to front run it though, because targets have not been being hit in the last 2 weeks. Have you noticed that?
I know what kind of targets.
Like it gets close to the target and then it bounces or whatever.
That's what I always have. I mean, I do have some good targets all the time, but just a few ticks or a few points before my TP, it bounces always back. So maybe it would be a smart decision to take profit here. But you know what? I don't care.
No, no.
I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore.
ES is through the VWAP. No taking profit here. I'm just going to go ahead and just jump in. I was trying to get a limit sale up there, but I couldn't do it. Oh. I'm moving the wrong thing here.
Man, look at this. It doesn't want to go for it. Jesus.
Design. Trev said he tried to be a goat but ended up a donkey.
Oh, well, that's a way.
Oh goodness. Uh-oh.
Man.
Now my lack of patience, Tom, is gonna cost me on this.
Yeah, I told you have to delete your channel, man.
I can't do that. I won't be able to survive.
Me neither.
Uh-oh, Gurk.
I am nothing. I am nothing without the affiliate commissions, man.
Gurkle is done for the day. Let's go. Gap is filled, Trev says. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Me either, Tom. I got to have those affiliates. Otherwise,
Yeah, me too. We have to milk those affiliate commissions, man.
death to methodical. Tom, why is it bouncing right here? What is it doing?
Because the market makers, they are watching the stream, man. And obviously they're listening to my phone and everything. They're watching my stream.
They're tuned
And
in.
they know about the guarantee here.
The Tom
So-
Sabo guarantee. What happens if we don't hit the guarantee?
We
you
just
delete your
pretend
channel, you said.
we just pretend it never happened and we move on.
You make a video later talking about it.
Well,
Did
Maybe.
you guys ever see Tom's video at the graveyard?
oh, that was last year.
Yeah. You get a refresh.
Come on, baby. Let's go.
My target's 200, so I'm holding for that.
Yes.
There's the guarantee. Where's my guarantee? I don't have a guarantee, but we're going to try to hit the 200. Tom's over there clapping, going crazy.
Absolutely. Yeah. And actually, this theory, I was correct about. I mean, we were talking about this level in the London session. So I actually took a short in before I ended the London stream. It took me out, but I was certain that this demand zone. Now, you know what I'm talking about. Maybe I haven't told you this one yet, but nowadays I'm trading more and more supply and demand.
Right.
I do like these zones. I think this is just awesome how they are how the market is reacting to these supply and demand zones. Obviously, I'm mixing it with ICT concepts, but still awesome to see these supply and demand zones working out. So,
What is an ICT concept? I don't even know.
the I can trade concept.
Is
So
he
if
in
somebody cannot, yeah. So if you cannot trade, you can always go with supply and demand.
here? Nice. Are you using any sort of indicator for supply and demand, or are you just looking for consolidation areas?
No, no indicator. There is a certain candle formation, which is basically the order blocks. So I'm looking for basically order blocks. Mason, thank you for the sub. So the order blocks are basically the same as supply and demand. They are absolutely the same. I know some people would laugh, and maybe Michael Huddleston, if he's watching the stream, he would be laughing his ass off. But I think order blocks and supply and demand is basically almost the same thing.
Right. Are you gonna buy the 200 level?
No, I'm not buying here. I'm not buying here. I want to see. I mean, yeah. So first, I want to see it go down below 161. Sorry, 195, and then I don't even know if I want to be a buyer here. You know what? I think next target 165 ish. 165. It can drop down to 165. Beautiful demand zone, bullish order block, starting at 164.50 on the 15-minute.
Methodical's man level just got hit. Let's go.
There you go. Let's go.
We hit the level. We're up $381. What are you up over there, Tom? Tom was only short 1 micro.
What? No, 5 micros. I was short 5 micros.
He was short 1 micro.
5 micros.
Treff is still waiting on the candle. I do think we bounce here. ES is at a key level, 137. So I think there's high probability that we push back into the 225s off this level, in my opinion.
Maybe 225. Yeah, why not? I mean, that would be a good retest.
What was the reason for going short there, Cobb? The reason was Tom Sabo said, go short. And so we did.
Yes.
Now, really, ES broke through the VWAP there. Nasdaq did as well. You kind of have that first presented fair value gap that is still unbalanced. This thing actually can push back up into the 230s.
Now, tell me something. This is interesting. There is no stock exchange open, right?
Right.
There is no stock exchange. So you still see a certain movement around 9:30. Why is that? Is that because some bigger hedge funds, institutions are still pushing the volume here? Or because I noticed this happening last year as well. So on a bank holiday in the US, the markets are still kind of moving somewhat after 9:30.
Yeah,
So
I don't
what?
really...
Yeah.
I mean, I would imagine it's retail traders mostly. I mean, I'm guessing, right? Because you still have retail traders that are going to still be trading. Volume's probably going to be low, but that would be kind of my guess. I don't really know if institutions are still trading or not. Guys, this is kind of what I'm thinking, something along those lines. You know, push back up, rebalance this gap up here, test the VWAP. That kind of puts you back up into OTE of this leg as well. It may not happen, but hey, that'd be my guess. It's autopilot, says Captain Price. Let's go. The planet aligns with the stars. We're getting a lot of interesting.
That's interesting.
What up, Max? How you doing? So, anyways, how's the fiance like the new BMW?
Well, you know, as I said, the first 3 words that she said, the first 2 words was "oh no," and the third was "why." so
Did we get the oil leak fixed yet from the valve cover gasket?
Yeah, it's gonna be fixed tomorrow. I have to take a quick phone call. The fiance, she's calling.
All right.
Yeah.
You're up 200 plus on each account. Let's go, futures trader. Nice job. Shout out to the #1 trader on YouTube. Let's go, methodical man. Total chick magnet. Hey, how's that YM trade working, Pine Tree? So we got the 9 touch there, which I guess on a day like today, you could take it before 10. You did get did it touch there? I wasn't looking to see if it actually touched. Actually, in hindsight, I don't think it did. probably did not touch. I do think it's reasonable for us to push back up in and kind of remitigate that fair value gap up there near the VWAP. We'll see. Again, ES at a key level there at the 37. Did it sweep the London low as well? It did not. Or wait. Yes, it did. I measured the London low from... No, it didn't. What level was it? 135? Nope, it sure didn't. So we do have a bullish SMT here as well. I like to measure it from 8 o'clock. Sammy, it's Tom Sabo. I got his link to his channel up at the top of the chat there if you want to give him a quick subscribe. So, your back's hurting, Max? Uh-oh. You like the 2-minute? Yeah, nothing wrong with that. I'm going to backtest the 2-minute as well. I haven't done that yet. We'll see. So we'll kind of see what happens here. There's no news today. We do have some speakers today at some point. I think there's probably a speaker right now. What was his name? Who was it? Harker speaks in 20. Is that? Let me refresh. Is that now? Okay, Harker speaking at 9:30, and then Bowman. And Waller speaks this evening, so... Try backtesting the 15-minute. I don't think I've ever seen anybody backtest anything more. Yeah, I can try it, Trev. See how it goes. All right, there's the push lower here. ES probably needs to clean out that London low. We actually could push a little lower here too. Maybe the ES wants to test the 31s. I don't know. It's currently holding up there at the 36, 35 level. We'll wait and see what happens. So on Holiday, what it got, like 150, 200 points max, probably Captain Price if we're lucky. So if we are lucky. So Trev, would you be looking for a short here? Do you care if it runs liquidity on some of your trades? Because like this gap up here sits right in OTE. I noticed on you're taking the 50% entry a lot of times and then putting it at the high. Now I'm measuring the entire range here. I mean, you could just measure that. If you measure that, then this gap here might be where you'd enter, huh? So if it runs liquidity, you don't take it, or do you care? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Because like we ran the 200 level. So would you still be looking for shorts here? Or would the idea be you ran the 200 level, let's push back up, and then along here with the stop at the low? Would that be the more likely play, or what? You'd have the strength of this next 15-minute candle. I think right now we're holding on the buyer strength. Yeah. More shorts, thinks Cove per. Design says only goes up. Never forget. Holy cow, man. She's over there cracking the whip on Tom. Wha-pow! Got him on the phone during the stream for hours. He can't even stream. Wha-pow! Hit him with the whip. You'd long from change of character, so you'd want to see kind of us on what time frame though? You're gonna look at the dollar and gold too. 1 minute. All right, this looks pretty solid here. I mean, this looks like a decent. We still have an SMT. If we closed above this, you could consider a long. One could consider a long above this. You'd also be closing above the 21 EMA there. And maybe just target this next level.
All right,
up.
I'm back.
Oh, he's finally back. The whip finally cracked.
Yeah, I'm here. So the fiance said about the car that why did you do it? And I told her, I tried to explain, but you wouldn't understand. So I just did it. And anyway, now that we took a couple of circles around the city and we took a ride around the place. Now she says that, okay, it's a good car. It's really a good car.
Did
So-
you tell her? Did you say for the ladies?
Yeah, I forgot to say that part, but you know.
Captain
Anyway,
Price.
I do
all right.
like the car. It's an excellent.
William, today and tomorrow are
What?
one day. Tom, were you thinking along
Oh,
here?
yeah.
What are you thinking?
Yeah. Today. No, I'm not gonna go along here. Not yet, at least.
Mhm.
Not yet. But you
What-
know what? I think somewhere around the midnight level, 275 ish. That's an interesting area up there. Yeah.
Mhm. I think we push
Who
into the
knows? I don't
230s
know.
here.
I'm not sure.
If we close above this, I might take the long
Hey, Abundance Protocol, welcome.
and target the 230s. But we're not really getting that V shape just yet, huh? I do think this is too low to enter a short from. I think you need that VWAP touch if you're looking for another short play.
You know what? There is still a very nice zone down there, as I said, around 165. I would maybe go for another short to go for 165, but
What is that?
I don't know.
What is that 233 on my chart, Tom? Where's
233 on
yours
your
at?
chart. Hold on. Let me see your chart. 233.
Yeah.
What is that? That's a fair value you get. That's a fair value.
No, but
right?
what's the yellow line here?
I'm not gonna. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what it is.
What?
That's the volume. That's the volume weighted average price indicator.
No. I need just the letters.
That's the volume weighted average price indicator.
It's the VWAP.
It's the VWAP.
I'm trying to get Tom to
It's
say
the
it.
It's the VWAP. You know, it's the VWAP.
Ash is long from here. Yeah, that's a pretty good bounce off that level again. High or low there? Oh, yeah, I was trying to get him to say it, Amelia. I was trying.
I said it. It's the VWAP.
Yes, it's perfect.
Cool whip. Cool whip. That's what it is.
I do my best. I'm trying to, trying to
No,
get
you're
him
not
to say
doing
it.
it. No.
Tom,
you're
say
not
that
doing your
guy's
best,
name.
man.
Shanmugam Manjamuthu.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Thank you for subscribing, Shanmugam Manjamutu. No, let me try that again.
All right.
Shanmugam Manjamutu. Shanmugam Manjamutu. Welcome. I said
There
it
you go.
right.
That's a
I'm
good
a pro,
name.
man.
That is a good name.
Yeah, I like it. I like it actually.
It's a wee wop, not a big wop.
It's a VWAP. Okay, now I'm really confused. I have to say the V like VWAP.
Yeah.
VWAP.
Can you say Jamba Juice?
Jamba Juice.
He can say that. See?
VWAP.
I don't know. It's a running joke when Tom says the VWAP. I don't quite know why though.
Yeah.
Not quite sure.
I wish I would know why.
English
I
is
still don't
Tom's
know.
fourth language. We got to take that into consideration.
Yeah, English is my nemesis right now. I just, it's hard from pronunciating from Hungarian to English. It's really hard. If I last time I did that on the stream, like if I want to lose the proper pronunciation, I would just speak with a huge accent. Like, let me try this. Okay. Now I'm going to speak with a huge accent, so I'm not going to pronunciate anything properly. I am just going to say everything like I read it, and I don't care about the pronunciation. And this is how I'm going to speak to you. How about that? I think it's better, right?
It's perfecto. I like it.
I think it's much perfect.
I like it
Yeah.
very much.
I like it very much too. And now I definitely sound like Count Dracula. So I'm going to stay that way. I think it's much better for me.
There you go,
Yeah.
Pon. I just showed you how to do it.
Oh, the giveaway winner. Yes, it was announced. Yes, and he got the money.
Who?
I'm going to have a new giveaway.
You had a giveaway?
Yeah, I have a new giveaway. It's going to come from tomorrow. But now I'm having an issue with the third-party software because it's having some issues anyway.
How are you doing the
I'm
giveaway?
using this. What?
I was like, how are you doing it? What software?
I'm having this this website viralsweep.com, and it's you could use it too. I mean, you have to pay like the basic package is $50 a month, and you can do some pretty good giveaway with that. And it filters out the bots, and anyway, it's a good thing. And the problem is that they charged me. So the monthly fee is $50 for that service, and they charged me $250.
Wow.
And I don't know what the f happened. So I sent them an email. And they were doing it uh, a few days later. Like I was sleeping, I woke up and I saw 4 times charge on my credit card, and I was like, what the hell? So I'm not. I just froze my credit card, and I wrote to the bank, and I wrote to them, and there's an issue right now, but hopefully it will be okay. Anyway,
Well,
that's what I
Tom,
was
you
using.
have to pay your bills, man.
I'm paying my bills, man, but hey, they overcharged me like 4 times, so there's some issue with them.
Bull Bear says that he ran a spreadsheet on the SPY the day after the third Monday of February, and it's been red. Nice. 5 out of the last 7. Interesting.
Cloud, maybe next time, Cloud. We'll do it. Don't worry.
Tom, they say you're just rambling over here. That's what Isco said.
Uh,
He said, bro's
yeah,
just rambling. That's Tom Sabo for you. Good morning, SPX.
yeah. Hey there. So knowledge seeker, yes, that was my mistake. I should have used the virtual card. Yeah, I should have used the virtual card for that.
Why
That's the
why
problem.
do you use the website though over just using Streamlabs?
Because this website is very good to filter out bots or multiple entries from the same IP address, or you can get some more engagement with the community by creating some tasks, maybe even build up email lists. So it's all about social media marketing. So I'm saying this in secrecy, like nobody hears this, I hope. So this is basically like building up some social media presence. They have some very good tools, but the problem is they just took away all my money.
Yeah, that's crazy
Anyway.
that they 5x'd you on that.
Yeah. I mean, what the hell? And not even the same day. So like a few days passed, and they took off $200 from my credit card. Like what the hell, man? What? And they don't know it. They don't know what the hell happened. And I said, okay, I'm gonna file a dispute at my bank. So I went into my bank. Unfortunately, I have to go there in person, file a dispute, and now they blocked my credit card. I have to get a new credit card. So it's a whole shit show. Anyway, I did a mistake by not using a virtual card.
The good news for me
So,
is if they would have used my credit card, it would have been declined. So,
no, I mean, sorry, not even credit card. It's my mistake. Debit card. I
debit
wanted to
card,
say debit card.
Yeah, that would have been declined.
Yeah, okay.
That would have been
So,
declined, man. Yeah, we
okay.
bounced right off the 93. We pushed all the way back up to the 215. I said I thought we bounced here at the 200 level. We just not bounced as high as I thought. I thought we retested 230. So it could maybe long here and put the stop at the low, but this really could make one more leg lower here.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. If it wants to make, if it trades below 198, so there's this swing at the 948 1 minute candle. If it would trade below that, I might look for a short to 165.
Esco's in at 207. You're short, Esco? I mean, if we get a nice momentum candle through here, I'll take the long. I ain't scared. You're long. Let's go.
Oh, and by the way, you know more about Bulenox. I forgot to activate a new Bulenox master account because I didn't receive an email. I searched everything everywhere, and it had the payment link on my dashboard, and I was like, okay, I didn't know how long is it been there, and now it's just saying pending. So it's still there, but the payment activation link has disappeared.
Ooh,
I don't know what the hell.
Oh, man. That's all that work for nothing, Tom.
Yeah, all that hard work,
No, I'm just kidding. All you got to do is send a help ticket. They will reactivate that link for you twice.
Thank
So,
you.
yeah, if
Thank
you
you.
submit a help ticket, they'll reactivate it for you. I think the link is good for 5
Awesome.
days.
Oh yeah, maybe. Okay. Okay.
So, yeah, I actually need to activate mine as well. Let me see if my link is still there. I think I
So
passed
by the
mine.
way, what's your plan right now? That you had also that fiasco with your funded account. So what up now? What's your plan? What's your aiming for?
Well, we got 10 funded accounts from Apex. We've got
Nice, nice.
3 funded accounts from Bulenox, 1 from My Funded Futures, 1 from Take Profit Trader. So
Mm-hmm.
right now, I'm just going to be trying to build up my Take Profit Trader and my Funded Futures to kind of,
Nice.
go from there. And then
Yeah.
we'll go back with the 20 from Apex. But for right now, I want to try to get to, I guess that would put me at like 21 again anyway, between those 3 props. So,
Oh, that's
and
nice. All
I went
right.
with the 50Ks this time as opposed to the 25Ks with Apex, just to give myself a
Mm-hmm.
little more
Mm-hmm.
room. Uh,
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
but yeah, that's the idea.
Nice.
So,
That's good. That's good. That's good.
Tom, I think long's the
That
play
is.
here, brother. I think it's about to push.
I'm still not sold on the long positions here, but maybe if it's gonna push, then it should be going up to the 30s. Yeah. Hello, Anthony. Hey there.
I kind of want to take the long here. We have equal highs right there that we're about to blast through at the 14s.
Mm-hmm.
If we get, well, we just pushed through them. I was going to say, if I had noticed that, I probably would have went ahead and gotten long there. But the only thing I don't like is that the 50 EMA sitting right there at the 22s. Are you using any type of EMAs or anything?
Well, yes and no, because I have this custom indicator system that is always opened up on MetaTrader 5, and that basically has exponential moving averages on it.
Right.
But like I'm using now the 55, 21, and the 9,
Mm-hmm.
but not on TradingView or Quant Hour. And basically, it's still not a trading entry for me. I mean, it's not an entry model, but I'm looking at it, yeah, just to see what's happening.
I've been paying more attention to the EMAs. I think they offer, like, especially on trend days when you're looking for pullback entries and stuff.
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
they
that's what I'm looking
offer
for sometimes.
good opportunities to get in. I think I'm probably about to take this long, and I'm gonna put my stop down here at this swing.
All right, good luck. Full
Maybe a
port.
little late on this entry, but that's all right.
No, actually, it looks good. Let me zoom this in. All right, there's a fair value gap picking up liquidity. It could go.
We'll pull back here.
Yeah, here's the entry. Could be a good long position.
All right, I'm
It
gonna
swept
take
the
it.
Asia lows.
We'll
Yeah.
take it here. I'm probably just
It
gonna
swept it.
take the 50 EMA touch.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if we get stopped or if it goes.
Um,
Max is long. How many times do they reactivate the link? A couple times. It's usually like 5 days. Gurkha Mall.
well, 232 could be a good target for you.
I'm just going for 221 because at the 50 EMA, we're most likely going to get a little reaction. So I don't want to
Mm-hmm.
fight it. So I'm just going to go for the 8 points. And I'll run stop to break even above this wick here at 217. That'll put me up 5 points.
Mm-hmm.
So if we get it, we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
ES bounced in the middle of the gap downside. Yep. I mean, ES could push one more time down. It did not run to the London low yet, so looks like we might get stopped. We might. We're below the 9 here, so I don't love it, but we'll still hold.
To me, it looks like a bit of a bearish flag, although
Oh
I'm not
yeah,
trading it.
for sure.
But yeah.
You could see that too. It's for sure a bearish flag. Top of the hour there. Shock of the hour per Tom Sabo.
Okay, so what is the shock of the hour? I always misunderstand the concept. So what is it all about?
Mainly it just moves the market. It just like you get a
Oh,
random
okay,
candle.
so so the shock of the hour is basically the strongest move during the hour. Okay, now this is a short opportunity, everybody.
I'm
No, I
long
don't know.
over here, Tom. I'm long.
Along.
Look at it bounce off that trend line there.
Should I fade you? I'm actually thinking to fade you there.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. I'm entering a short position right here. I think it's total crazy that I did this. But I entered the short right here. It's only on a My Funded Futures evaluation account.
I'm currently full
And let's-
port long.
You're full port long?
No, well, since you're short, you know.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
I know. Man, it's an interesting feeling to know from myself that I'm actually not a trader. I'm an indicator. So
The indicator, nah, I actually think that the short might work. I mean, we are holding this gap here pretty strong. We didn't close above it, so I don't think the short's a bad play. And I
okay,
got stopped
so
out. I don't think it's a bad play at all. We held this gap. We're kind of breaking this, 1 minute trend line too. So you can see on that push back up, it held it perfecto.
Nintendo, sorry, I know you're waiting for the backtesting session.
What you gonna back test over there, Tom?
I don't know. I have so many strategies. But now, I promised to do a backtesting session, and yeah, I feel ashamed now.
When were you supposed to do this?
I don't know. I mean, I supposed to do this like at least 2 months ago now.
2 months. Holy cow.
Yeah, and there's two things I can do. One thing, because Nintendo is one of my OG viewers here, so there's two things I can do, and I promised this to Nintendo. So one is I'm gonna do the backtesting stream. It's a little bit complicated because there's too many strategies. I have to be prepared, and I really have to look everything up. And the other option is just to ban Nintendo and move on with our lives, pretend
true
like
too.
never happened. Yeah, so it's much easier. I think
Airboat, yes. Airboat says, did you see futures for our futures video mentioned Matt and Alpine being named in a lawsuit regarding involved in a scam? Yeah, with Apex. Yeah, I saw
what-
that video.
I
but
just read the headlines. What's this video about? I didn't watch the video.
basically they're trying. Someone's suing, contending that Apex is inflating the payouts for some of their influencers. They named Alpine. They named a video that Alpine posted and one that Matt posted. But I mean, in my opinion, I don't think there's any validity to it. But we don't know. You know as much as I know. But I would say probably,
Interesting.
probably
Interesting.
not much validity to it. So, but who knows? We'll see what comes out. I mean, if they've got proof of it or something like that, that's one thing, right?
Yeah,
Who knows?
I'm moving my stop a little bit higher. I'm gonna give a little bit more room for this one if it wants to fall, but that's it. I'm not risking more.
Do I get sucked back into the long here?
I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm not going to force this trade, but I really wanted this one to drop.
Only fans, no only longs. That's what MK says. I don't know. I think that if we can get a little rejection here off the 50, maybe. I don't know, Tom. What do you think?
Well,
Tom moved his stop to 24.
I don't know. I would be scared to go long here, but again, this could be one of those situations when it's just take the stairs and goes higher and higher and higher. There's a good level at 250 on the 1 minute. At hold on, at 252. There's a flat candle, kind of an interesting area. It could take the stairs. It goes up there all the way. I don't know, man. I mean, it's What's the time now? 10 over and 10 a.m. Okay, this would be interesting.
Tom, you're not tripping. Tom's on the stream. Tom and Tom. Oh man, it missed me on my short entry by a tick.
Oh, sure, Martin. Just a second. Oh, I thought I'm okay. Just a second. I'm gonna put Methodical Man's stream and pin message up there. Hold on. There. There's his channel.
But no, Tom, this is Tom Brooks. This is actually my alter ego. I have the ability to, you guys are listening to like what I'm thinking in my head, and then I'm also talking at the same time. That's the two voices.
Yeah, that goes the same for me because the guy's name is Methodical Man. You know, he's methodical, like he's only in my subconscious. You know,
Guys,
he's
look at
not
this
existing.
thing. Tom, it literally came up and missed me by a tick, and now it's up 9 points.
Oh no.
That's rude. That's rude. Is Bulenox one day to pass? Sure is, Vivek.
Oh yeah, it's one day to pass.
Thanks, Joseph. Yeah, I don't blame you for not trading. Tom, I wanted to get in short there, but it did not get me. Do I just jump in now?
I don't know, man. It's definitely interesting. We go lower. Richard is saying we're going lower.
Lassifor Trader, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man! In case you guys didn't know that was going to happen.
I know that's going to happen. I know that's what you're going to say, you know.
I was looking for like sayings last night. I was looking for like some sort of recording or whatever, a video or some sort that said "You the man," but I couldn't find one.
Actually, I want to put this as my ringtone. You know, you the man, you the man.
Yes, maybe Vivek. Bulenox payouts are definitely safe. You're going to get paid.
Yeah, Bulenox, no questions asked. They just pay. And by the way, I might have told you this, but yeah, so I received the payout from Bulenox, $1,500, and I told you on Discord, I was on full tilt on that day.
Yep.
And I went in with 7 minis. I was acting full crazy on that day, and I still got the payout. You know, I still got the payout. Interesting.
I told you. I thought that would happen, guy. Just submit it.
I was like, am I going to get this? Am I going to get this? And Methodical Man said, sure, why not? Sure, just submit it.
I don't think that they're paying attention to like that consistent contract sizing thing like they said they were. So, Martin, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man.
You the man. You the man. Brian is asking any reviews on Tradeify payouts. Well, I haven't received the payout from Tradeify yet, but as far as I heard, they are paying out everybody. So, so that's all I know.
Vivek, I haven't seen anybody getting denied personally from Bulenox for any of those reasons. So I don't know, but I haven't seen anybody. All right, I'm about to go 2 minis here. Long.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What you doing there? It needs joint. Yeah, Anthony, I agree. I agree. Yeah, Felix, it's bank holiday. That's why we are just chilling here, enjoying the trading, enjoying the charts, enjoying that, you know, we're just here.
Bulenox is intraday trailing. They also offer end of day as well. They offer both options. And with the end of day, you actually get $500 extra in drawdown over like Topstep's drawdown from the end of day or My Funded Futures drawdown from the end of day. You get $2,500 instead of just $2,000. So they process payments, Bob, through several different places, but I just get mine typically through direct deposit. So you can do the end of day is currently 75% off. The option 2. Yeah, trailing drawdown does. I mean, sometimes, Dave, it doesn't allow you to hold the trades for as long. But I don't know. It's manageable as long as you're aware. So go ahead, Tom. Go ahead, Tom.
Another phone. Just a quick phone call. Sorry.
Another phone call? Chapow!
Yes.
Oh. What up, content? I like Apex. I've never been denied Vivek, but each person has their own experience with every prop firm, right? Good, bad, indifferent. I've never been denied by Apex. I've heard of people being denied for breaking rules, but in my opinion, as long as you don't break the rules, you should be fine. So, yeah, this is slow trap for sure. I'm going to try a little long here. I think we go. I'm going to jump in with 2 minis, which, you know, is probably more than I should. But we're going to give it the old college try. I think it pushes here. We're getting back. This is the second test of the 50, which usually means we get through there. I was okay shorting off the 50 on the first test. Now we'll take the long. I think it gets through there. So, Gilye van de Valle. I probably just butchered that, but it's fine. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. You were long. Going short is very risky. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I thought I took the long here. It just kind of wicked down and got me. I should have probably waited for the kind of push above there, but even here, we could be wrong. It's fine if we are. It's not that big a deal. You have the feeling that they are squeezing up a little by little. Yeah, it kind of looks that way, Claudia. But honestly, the push downs look more violent, right? That is a little concerning. All right, we got speaker, guys. We got a speaker right now. Tom Sabo is the speaker. He's on the phone right now with the market makers, trying to call in a long squeeze to the downside. He wants us to get squeezed out.
I'm here. I'm here.
Oh, no. There he is. Oh.
All right. So quick answer here. Zoltan was asking if Bulenox account max 7 contracts. Yes, 7 minis or 70 micros. Yes, Zoltan. They use Wise. They use Wise as bank wire, but they do bank wire transfers. And PayPal, Wise, or ACH wire. Yeah, they use that.
Tom, how do I turn off? Do you have any idea how we turn off the sounds? I have no idea.
What sounds?
When I
the desktop sounds.
Yeah, like when I get in a position. How do you turn it off?
On the upper right corner, there's a settings wheel, and there's notifications or something. I don't know, confirmations and warnings, or sounds. There's a
sounds.
Yeah.
There it is.
Upper right corner.
There we go. I turned it off.
And I turned off every sound.
We got it. This is Quantower, but we're using Bulenox.
And this is Quantower, and I'm using my funded futures.
Tom, you were on the phone with Jay Powell right then?
Yeah. So he said all is good. We're going to have the proper information off stream, and we'll know more tomorrow.
Well, the important thing is, are we going up or down?
CK Trades, thank you for the subscription. You the man. Oh, sorry.
Let's go, Lasso 4 Trader. Nice job. Lasso 4 is requesting 6K tomorrow.
Oh, wow. From where?
Apex.
Oh, nice.
Father Powell will not let us down. I think he told Tom we were going down, but he lied to him. He's like, I don't have to tell this guy what we're doing. We're going to the moon.
I'm gonna call him back. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call him back.
I got to sue Tom for trademark infringement. He said, "You the man." Oh, I do.
I know.
Every time he says that, he's got to share his YouTube revenue with me, which isn't much.
Oh, which isn't much. Which is, I'm going to tell you exactly. Last month, I made $200 from my YouTube.
And that's 200 Hungarian pesos.
Well, a little bit more than that, but hey, it's more than enough for utility bills.
Someone always says Hungarian pesos in here. I don't remember who it is. Who is that says that?
Well, it's almost correct. Hungarian pesos are maybe even worth more than foreigns. Hey, Anthony, you have an air horn. Nice.
Better than the forint? Forint?
Maybe better, maybe better. Oh my God, I'm gonna get stopped out here.
Oh my gosh, my TP is your stop.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, this is like so frustrating.
I mean, I already took a loss, so earlier. If you were trading, you
Yeah,
would be on
so
the first 15-minute candle being retraced and settling at VWAP. Yeah, nice.
yeah, so CK trades, nothing special here. This is just an evaluation account. I was just shorting on this bearish flag. Actually, I was targeting the on the 15-minute this bullish order block down there, 165, or actually demand zone. We can call this demand zone. So I saw this bearish flag, and I thought, for the stream, for the show, I just jump in with 2 micros. But there was no special entry model here. That's it, basically. That's it.
I'm also
So
in with 2 also, but these are minis.
Oh, the guest, Artie. It's Methodical Man. His channel is up there in the pinned message. Check it out. Sometimes we do some joint streams. It's Methodical Man.
Yeah, it wasn't planned
Check out
today.
his
I just
channel.
decided to call you.
Yeah, I was like, what the hell does this guy want?
Hey, we got to spice up the stream sometimes. You got to have a little.
I know. We have to. We have to.
Tom,
I
starting
think, you know what?
Thursday, I'm going to be coaching
Yeah.
a 14U baseball team.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
I'm going to be the head coach,
Yes. So listen, I was thinking maybe we should do like sometimes a podcast or something, you and me, maybe once or twice a month. That would be awesome. Talking about trading, charts, whatever trading related IRL stuff. Maybe I don't even know.
we need to get Tom and Methodical Man over to the BDH. What do you guys think?
Okay, get me a plane ticket. I'll be there.
Get over to the BDH. Do you think
Brian is asking what state?
I'm in Georgia, Brian.
Yeah, he's in Georgia.
Basically Madison County, Georgia. Tom's in Hungary.
Yeah, I'm in Hungary. So send me plane tickets and I can be there anytime.
To the BDH we go. Oh, we can handle Tom.
Yeah,
We can handle Pat. It'll be fine.
Yeah. Art, the Methodical Man. Also, I mean, what is your strategy, Methodical Man? Somebody's asking here. How do you trade? What are you using? I mean, are you using ICT concepts, or what are you looking at? Moving averages, fundamentals, and or just technicals? What?
As Jay likes to say, I guess my way in. No, I'm just kidding.
Yes.
No, I usually use the inversion. I use the inversion model. So like a close above the fair value gap. We take a long off that. But typically, but I have been implementing more, especially in evals, kind of the EMA plays, the cross, the 9 and 21 cross. But for the most part, I use the inversions. CK Trades in the house, the ICT wizard. Welcome to the Methodical crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man.
Yeah.
Or sometimes I use I think trades.
I think trades.
Oh, your mom sucks pee for lunch. This is, I'm scared to even say your name, 96. I can't even say your name. I could say the other one. I can't say that one. Are you seeing his name, Tom?
Let me check. Hold on. Where is? Well, who is that? Where is he? Let's see.
Oh, it works on there too, Trev. Yeah.
I don't see.
Maybe Tom will say it. He just said something. He just said 96 works. I can't say the name.
I don't see it.
You don't see it?
I don't see it.
Open your eyes.
Oh,
Tom.
I see. Okay, I see. All right. I can say that. I can say that. You can say that.
Go ahead, Tom.
NIGGLET 96.
I can't say that. Yeah, I can't say that. I can't say it. A bounce off the 9 on the 15. Oh, let's go, Trav. I can't do it. ES is approaching the VWAP here. Tom, you didn't get stopped yet. The
Not
VWAP
yet, but
could be your savior.
no, I'm gonna get stopped out right now. I'm just, almost out, a few ticks away. Interesting move here. I think it wants to go up to the 30s, I think. So I'm not going to move my stop again. That's it. Let's see. My loss is going to be about $60 on this one, which is cool. On an evaluation account, it's more than enough. More
Yeah,
than
Coach
cool.
Fred, it's through the end of the month. It's through the 28th. Come on, stop Tom out so I can hit my TP here.
I know, right?
Come on,
Man,
one
it's
more.
not even fun.
Give me one more push.
One more push.
Rock Ellis
Just get
Trades.
me out of my misery.
Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You're the man. Yeah, it's 1 day to pass, Vivek, on Bulenox. It's teasing me here, guys. It's making me want to take it off.
I don't know how I'm still in this trade. I don't know. I really don't know.
It keeps, I mean, like it's came, what, 1 tick, 2 ticks away? 2 ticks.
No, Peter, today and tomorrow is going to count as 1 day. Yeah. So it's not a separate day.
I'm going to go stop to break even once Tom's stop gets hit. It's that wick on the 15-minute candle. Indeed.
Come on, get me out of this trade. It's embarrassing me now.
They are MK. Come on, let's just hit Tom's thingy there. Hit his stop.
You
One
really
more
want me
time.
to lose. I see that. All right.
No, I don't. I mean, you're
All
just
right.
in 2 micros. I'm in 2 minis. It's a little more important.
Mm-hmm.
So, you don't wait for the retest. I'm taking the entry at the first cross for 10 points. So you're just taking the cross Takamura. That's something I could look at. Now, are you waiting for both the 21 and the 9 to cross, or just one or the other? How you doing it?
Man, what is happening in this market?
Well, it's
I don't even
not
know.
giving me my profit, and it's not stopping you out. So that's what's happening right now.
Yeah, I can see that. So there's a glitch in the matrix.
Something. Yes, right there at the VWAP. I think that's why we're pushing back down. But the next push should make it through there. Sim market makers have the fix in. Tom.
Yeah.
When you going to grow out the full beard?
Well, I don't know because it's I'm still kind of young, It grows very slow. So
Yeah.
yeah. In your age, it grows like in 1 day, but in my age, it takes about 2 weeks. I don't know.
Tom, I thought you were like 2 weeks younger than me.
I don't know how you get that idea, but anyway.
Don't we have an IFEG on the 1 minute? Yeah, we do, Palooka. It's not that clear. There's not really a clear break even either. Well, now your break even would actually be back above the high of this candle.
What the heck is this market doing, man?
The OnlyFans have been asking for more beard.
Oh, if they like it, well, I was, thinking of a business idea to maybe do the hot tub videos and sell the hot tub water. Maybe that's a cool business to do.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
15-minute breaker. Let me look.
Nick's Trades, it's Methodical Man, and we used to stream sometimes together, and his channel is up there in the pinned message. Go check him out.
We also have that untested wick right there, too. That might be what's holding us down.
High volume not at 228. All right. Oh, yeah, it can go there. Man.
Got a little reaction off that. If we get through my first target, I am going to move stop to break even.
Mm-hmm.
Tom, when are you going to move your stop to break even?
Well, it's not gonna be soon. Actually, I just hope that finally it makes this push. Come on, get me out of here. All right,
Oh,
I'm out.
oh, you're out. I have my
I'm
take
out.
profit at 24.50 and it didn't even stop me yet. You're not out yet.
I'm
Now
out.
you're
I'm
out.
out.
Now you're out.
Yeah, but what an how? I mean, it looks like crazy on the 5 minute though. Um, Interesting move. I think now it should be going up to the 232 area.
Yeah, design likes to call those out. DCA never
Nice.
fails.
Let's go, Knicks.
No, you hold that, mother. Yeah, we'll hold it at break even. We'll see what happens.
Gilles Van de Valle. Hello. Welcome to the stream.
We just
Thank
got
you
to
for
get Tom to
subscribing.
switch to long.
I don't know. It looks good for 10 points. Is that the first revenue gap? Almost. It's not.
The first presented
revenue
is
gap
up there at
no.
232, right?
No, that's not it. That's not it. The first is down there at the 216.
No, I'm talking about like the actual first presented one after open.
Oh, yeah. I think we're going up there. Should I take a long for the stream? Should I
mean, it's
take a
probably a
long?
little too late at this point.
I know. It is. It's too late. It's gonna go there most likely. That's the only obvious target right now for liquidity.
Don't fade me, bro. Oh. Oh, I actually got stopped out of my initial long there when Tom was short, though. So
No.
I should have had my stop at the low. Tom, we were long from right down here. We were long from 212, and then I got stopped. Man.
Yeah, well, it happens.
I think if depending, we'll see kind of what happens in this first presented gap here. I think we get a decent reaction out of that. You're in at 213, Trev. Let's go. 205 for MK. Everybody's in lower than me. I'm in from like 218.
Stefano, welcome to the channel. Thanks for subscribing.
Nice job.
Hey.
Let's go. Hey, Tom, you don't have any noise on that where he's pounding his chest? Are you allowed to use the audio
no,
for that?
I think I could, but this is just a GIF file, so that's not a video file. So it's just a GIF. Maybe I could find or I can just cut out from the video that part. I can do that.
Gold Chess Club needs 34.5 to pass. Let's go. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go, Tom. There's the push.
I know. It's too late for me now.
Ding, 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 ding.
Ding, 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 ding. It should be going there.
Ding, 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 ding. We are there. Let's go. I think we get a reaction out of this area, though. I really do. So I think one more pushback down. Let's fib the leg and see. What do you guys think? Let's use the fib. I do think we push up into this zone. And maybe we pull back and retest this inverse. That'd be nice. Tom, what is your strategy?
I have a lucky coin here. I don't know where it is, but I use that sometimes.
Nice, nice, Ash. A lucky coin?
Yes.
So you use the 0-day J strategy also. You guess your way in.
Yes.
And you guess your way
I
out.
do that. I do that sometimes.
That is a really good saying right there, isn't it?
I love it. Yeah. I think
Imagine
it's great.
this down move is the lowest price of the week. It could be, Kurd. You never know, right?
I mean, I'm looking at this on the 1 hour. Actually, the 1 hour looks like, I mean, the new week opening gap should be rebalanced. Like, I would like to see a down close candle on the 1 hour at least. It still didn't happen yet, so maybe tomorrow.
Pine Tree says he smoked weed on his personal, and then he blew an Apex eval.
I mean, that's a good thing sometimes, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, he smoked weed. No, he didn't say cocaine, Tom.
Don't remind me of the good old days.
It is, Ash.
No. No.
Nobody guessed that when I said I said, what do Tom Sabo and Daryl Strawberry have in common? And nobody
Come on,
could tell me.
man.
Nobody could tell me.
Well, at least nobody knows, right?
Cocaine and
It's a
hookers
good
is
thing.
Andy's preferred vice. Oh,
Uh,
good old Daryl Strawberry. Anybody remember him?
no, no.
Probably so, Trev. Do you know who Daryl Strawberry is, Tom?
What?
Do you know who Daryl
Who?
Strawberry is?
He was like a baseball player or something.
Yeah,
I think.
he was a baseball player for the Mets, I believe.
Oh, okay. So
He
So
got
what's his
suspended.
story?
He got suspended for for cocaine use.
Oh, did he? Oh,
Yeah.
well. Oh, happens to the best of us,
I know, I know.
Yeah.
Daily open hold
Oh.
was nice. I think we might, you might get a push up into like the 36s and then we'll turn back down, at least to some degree here. The only scary part is both the Nasdaq and the ES are at the VWAP at the same time. So if they kind of push above and hold, then, you know, that could be bullish. Maybe we continue higher. So we'll see.
And yeah, I think it's just going to continue to go to the 30s.
Joseph, you're in Oconee County, Joseph? Awesome. My sister lives in Oconee County. That's just right next door, man. You're right down the road. Joseph's like 20
By the
minutes
way,
from me.
what's the weather right now over there?
30, about 32 degrees, 33 degrees. It's been raining the last few days, but, you know, it's not bad. I don't know what the high is today. Probably like 50.
Mm-hmm.
I have on shorts, if that tells you anything, Tom.
Sorry, what?
I have on shorts.
You're on shorts?
It's 40 degrees
No,
outside right now, the high of 52. So 40 degrees Fahrenheit is probably, what is that Celsius?
A few Celsius, like 3, 4, 5-ish. I don't know.
Yeah. We're in the wrong business. You should all be on OnlyFans? Probably. 35 is pretty
Yeah.
strong. -3 here north of Chicago. That's a little too cold. 80s in Tucson. I'll take that. I actually love like the 50-degree weather, Tom. What's your favorite? I like about 50, 55 degrees.
That's my favorite, actually. That's the best. So I don't really like the hot summer because I'm just melting, you know.
Yeah.
I'm just not functioning, you know. So I can't even think when it's super hot outside.
Who said they needed 34.5 to pass? That's going to be like, you're either going to get that right now or you probably need to get the F out. Because this could be a spot where this thing could just turn down. We'll
Yeah, I'm
see.
gonna look for maybe a. Oh, you know what? I think it can just go higher. Could take. I talked about the 252. I think it can still go up there.
I think
There's a
Dubai,
fairly. Yeah,
yeah, Dubai would be an interesting place to live. I don't know about Thailand.
Dubai is too hot. I think. I don't know. Maybe it's good. For me, it could be. I think it's too hot for me. The weather is just too hot for me. I'm not sure.
Where is Lisbon, Biggs? You know where that is, Tom?
Yeah, I know. That's a nice place.
I Hate Week says, you joke, but streaming on Pornhub has a much better partner share than YouTube.
Oh well.
Portugal. Oh, okay, cool. So, yeah, Dubai would be an interesting place. Yeah,
Oh.
I do think it's probably hot, but Tom is actually on Pornhub. Tom, drop your Pornhub link right quick.
Yeah, sure. No, I can't. I can't say the name on YouTube.
Drop the
But,
link,
yeah.
man. It's fine.
I can't. I can't. I have to preserve the image still as a trader.
Guys, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you the name of it. Okay, it's called
All right, I'm
The
curious.
Hunger Games.
Oh, why did you say it? Oh man.
The
Well-
Hunger Games.
Hunger Games.
Dracula Dick Trader. What up, live prop? Oh,
Dracula dictator.
yeah, that's what he
Oh
said.
man.
That's what he said. Yours should be named.
Uh,
Oh goodness. You're manually locked out now. Let's go, Dave. Nice job. Good job.
oh, I don't worry, abundance. We're gonna get rid of methodical man.
Yeah.
No, no.
Get rid of this guy.
Get rid of this guy. No.
He has a mute button over there. All right, let's go, Chest. You got it. Chest.
Oh, look at that. We're going higher.
3450. Yeah, you got it right there. I mean, we're probably moving up towards the open. What do you think? 243 for sure. Seems.
Yeah, most likely. Should be taking out the 42. And then there's another gap up there at 45. I think it's just going there.
What do you think about a VWAP re-entry here off 31?
The volume weighted average price re-entry is a good idea.
Tom, you can say VWAP. It's fine.
I can't, man. It's just too much for me to take, you know.
I'm going to risk 5 points. I think.
You know what? You know what? I might just gonna risk as well, just for the stream.
Bogota, Colombia is between 50 and 60 all year. That's interesting. Close to your final TPCK. Let's go. Yeah, I'm going to take a little VWAP. That's also the first 9 touch after the cross.
Okay.
It's not quite spread out as far as I'd like, but on a slow day like today, I think it might be fine. We are breaking our rule here, longing in premium, but...
Yeah, I'm breaking the rules as well.
I think it's fine. Are you long? Not yet. I'm waiting on the 31 touch. 231. I got my limit order sitting. Stop just below the 21 EMA. 50 fib at 38. Yeah, that makes sense, huh? I'll probably put the stop in at break even back above that if we get tagged in here.
The 42 looks good, actually, and there's another good target at 52. Seems like it wants to grind up there, but I don't know.
All right, I'm tagged in long. Off the 9. If it starts to push below, I might get it. I might give it a little more room. But I'm going to go stop to break even back above the high here at 36, 37.
I also entered long to make up my losses from earlier.
Tom, I don't. Are you long on your live stream? I don't see you.
Oh, no.
Oh, there you are.
Quant Tower. So I don't even have a stop loss. Who needs a stop loss, you know?
I'm just risking 5 points here. I think if we get back above the high, I'm going to put the stop to break even, see if it can run. 39 to pass another one, gold chest. Nice.
Where should I put my stop? I'm going to put my stop to 29.25. That's it. If it goes down lower, then obviously I don't want to hold this trade. It's evaluation account, everybody, so...
Bull Bear, it's pinned in the top of the chat. So, it's pinned in the top of the chat.
Yeah, so for swing trading, I think... hold on. There's a prop firm that I think Elite Traders has the Diamond Hands.
Yeah, it does.
Account for swing trading, and
doesn't Fideus have a swing trading one as well?
Yeah, maybe they have one too, but Elite Traders for sure has. It's called the Diamond Hands account, and you can swing trade there.
5-minute breaker says CK on the 5-minute breaker on the 5-minute chart.
All right, I'm out. I'm not gonna force it.
I'm gonna give it a little more room here, actually. I'm gonna risk the 10 points.
Risk it for the biscuit.
Risk the 10 points here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on sale now too. Nice. Nikos Kutelidis, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man.
What is going on here?
Nasdaq's below the VWAP here. ES is not yet below the VWAP. So I'm going to give it a little more room here, Tom. See if it can bounce. I don't know.
Well, good luck for it.
We
Still
did say if it's
thinking
a spot where it's going to turn down, this is kind of it. So,
Mhm.
you know, we may kill it here for just a small loss.
Yeah,
Getting
I'm
out.
not going. I'm not going to go into this right now.
Well, ES trying to work
I
its
mean-
way below the VWAP, so
I mean, on the micro, on the 1 minute, this could be a possible short entry. By the way,
yeah, for sure.
I might even risk it. All right, I'm entering a small short position.
I don't hate it.
And how far can it go? I'm not sure. I'm gonna target the 210.25. I was actually waiting for a short opportunity. It's not a perfect one. It's by far from being a good or high. It's a low probability trade, I would say. But who knows?
Tom's going short, guys. Should we go long?
Yes, just go long.
One of us will win. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah,
Yeah,
John.
if you guys
the VWAP's off.
if you guys want some winners, then you will see a winner if one goes the other way here. Anyway,
Elite Trader Funding's 90% off right now. Interesting.
oh really?
We're going up. You're thinking, but GL. Good luck, Tom. We'll see.
By the way, I wanted to check on gold. I totally forgot about gold. You're not trading gold, right?
No, I actually did pull a gold chart up, and I've been kind of keeping an eye on it. It's hovering at 29.12 right now, 0.3. So it made a new pushed up this morning. Didn't sweep the overnight high. Came close. Yeah, I've been keeping an eye on gold. Not really trading
Nice.
it though. Still trading your $26 accounts? Yeah, I blew those.
The market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Some prop firms do require you to close positions at 12, but most of them not.
Which one are those?
I think Topstep requires you to close 10 minutes after 12, I think. I'm not sure. But most of the prop firms let you to trade like 2 minutes before the close, or I don't know, 1 minute.
Yeah, I know Take Private Trader, you got to be out 1 minute before, like at 59 or whatever.
No problem, Glenn.
All right, I'm going to take a long down here off of the 215 area if we get back to it.
Anthony, with Apex, you can go as well, like 1 minute before the close. So I think 12:59 is the last minute. Close it. I think. I mean, before 12:59. I think. I don't know what does Apex. Apex closes down automatically, or is it
No.
violation?
You have to manually exit your position on Apex, otherwise, it will stay open overnight, and you could end up getting destroyed.
Yeah. Okay.
So, push to 215.
But if you're
it comes
lucky, you
down.
can survive.
Yeah, Trev, that's what I'm looking for. Pine Tree had a great trade. My guest has a voice similar to the host of Channely YouTube Red Day Green Day. Do you know that one, Tom?
No.
I don't know who that is either. Take Profit will fail you if you leave it open. Yes.
Oh, they
will.
penalize you. I didn't know that.
Yeah, but Apex, you can actually, Apex and Bulenox, I mean, like, it can stay, if you don't close it, it'll stay open all night. And then when you wake
Anthony
up the
says
next
you
day,
get a penalty from Apex
Yeah,
if you.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure, but I'm just saying, like, it's not going to, it won't close the trade.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen it stay open before for me.
Even with on the website, there's a flat all button or something. Even that doesn't help, right?
That does. I mean, I don't know if that would close it or not after hours. I'm not sure. So we'll see.
Somebody open a funded account, trade, and leave it on after market hours, okay? And do this for us.
It never worked in my favor, so each time that it accidentally happened for me, it blew my account. So,
Oh,
yeah, I always would come back on, and the account would be blown because I'm an idiot. Tom, you're still short, right? So
yes,
you're targeting 210. Why did you pick 210?
I don't know. Uh, there is a 1 minute bullish pin bar down there, and I just think that there is high resistance around 200. So if it really wants to go down, maybe it will try to take out the 209.75. So 210.25.
We do
would
have
be
equal
my
lows at
final
210 also on the 1 minute.
maybe. But now I don't know. It seems like it's just accumulating some momentum here and gonna go higher. It seems like it.
It might. I'm just gonna leave my order sitting down there. We'll see if it gets tagged in or not. I'm gonna go long off 215 with my stop at the low, and we'll see. You always think, why take the chance of leaving it open? Yeah, I did it on accident. Like I'd left the house or something and just accidentally. So, is Elite only rhythmic? I don't know. Does Elite Trader Funding have?
Yes, I think they do. Yes.
They have something other than rhythmic. They have Tradeovate.
Yeah, and trade away, I think. Yeah.
Tom, do you
Yeah, I
even
think
know
they
who
have.
Patrick Whelan is?
Who is Patrick Wieland?
Yeah. I didn't know if you knew who Patrick was or not.
Who is he?
You know who Patrick
Is he some kind of a? Is he some kind of a? I don't know.
I don't have a
Sales.
code with them, Coach Fred. I do have a link. So I don't think they give out codes at Elite, Tom.
No, just the link. Yeah,
Yeah, I
just
was
the
thinking
link.
it's just the link. Here, I'll drop the link in the chat. I don't think Patrick's on today. I haven't seen him. Everyone knows Patrick? Yeah. Who has 25 and 37 stop? I don't know. What is that, Trev? Long, 27, or Tom does? Tom has
Long
Tom short
27.
from 230. His stop is at 237.75.
Yeah.
He's targeting 210.
Yeah. 210.25.
And then I am longing 215 if we pull back with stop the low. And I'm going to target the open price of 243. So, yeah, I didn't think he was on today.
The 5 minute fair value gap gives push up. Yeah, it depends on, in the big picture. That's why, I mean, what do you see as a draw on liquidity? There is a 5 minute fair value gap. That's true. Question is how is going to react when we go down there. It should be tapping down there, but if it trades through the 5 minute gap, then we might have a chance for this to continue lower.
Who is this guy?
Oh.
Do you know this guy, Tom?
Who?
That Patrick is having a little trade off with on Wednesday. I don't know who this guy is. Big
I don't know.
Daddy Max.
No, never heard of him.
This guy. He's an options trader, I guess, typically. Do you guys know Big Daddy Max?
No. Activation fee for Elite Trader, I don't even know how much. How much is the
So,
activation fee
On
there?
their fast track accounts, the first month is free. and it's $80 monthly or around $340 for the lifetime, I think, on the 50K. So the activation fee is
Oh.
expensive if you go with a lifetime, but you can just do the monthly.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So, yeah, I've never heard of him
Patrick's
either. I don't know
the
who
biggest
that is.
artist. Yeah, I know who Patrick is. I'm clutch. Yeah, I know who is.
You only know Big Daddy Sabo? Oh, nice. Big Daddy Sabo.
Is a boy hey there. Big Daddy. Yeah. Martin, thank you. I don't know what you're congratulating. I practically messed up my trade again.
Tom is currently short, guys. Let's see how it works.
Yeah.
Everybody pile in long. That way Tom's short will work. Tom got a new chair too over there. He got a legend chair.
I don't.
Didn't notice that
I
before.
don't. I know. It was always here.
Was that your same
thing
chair?
The thing which I have, which is kind of new, is my new jacket, the BMW jacket, which I have on right now.
So, he's a BMW owner. He's got a jacket to match.
Oh yeah, a BMW jacket to match with the car, and the baseball cap, BMW baseball cap, just to make sure, all is good.
He's got the baseball cap too. Oh my goodness.
Yes, everything. So
Oh,
imagine me driving a BMW. I stop at the grocery store and get out from the car in a BMW jacket. Like everybody's looking at me like lame.
They're like, what is this guy doing?
Yeah, what's the deal with this guy?
Who does he think he is?
Yeah.
I'm going to get me a Ferrari jacket and then drive my Toyota.
Now that's a good thing.
Use the Toyota with the Ferrari jacket. Let's go.
Yeah, I mean, why not?
Print 25 for Tom. Send psychopathic message. Oh my goodness. Well, we need to get 215 and bounce. So it'll like tickle his take profit, tag me in long, and then rip against him.
All right, so this is one of the reasons that we're not going to do too many streams together.
Listen,
you guys are just good.
It's giving you profit though. You're going to be 15 points in profit.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
1 Eastern, Tom Brooks. Like Alpine with his Porsche hat, jacket, garage. I think he sleeps in his car. Yeah, maybe.
You think?
Alpine does love Porsches. I mean, he does. I mean, he bought that new one there, so it's nice.
He's still pushing with Apex mostly, right?
I know Alpine trades Bulenox and Apex. He spreads it out a bit.
Oh, okay.
Vivek by 1 p.m. Eastern. Uh-oh. CK's trade says the pending market makers, his TP is still pending. The market maker lives near him. It does feel like it wants to pop, doesn't it, Tom?
Yeah, it feels like. I think it wants to go higher.
The problem is the ES is still below the VWAP, though.
I don't like this trade anymore.
It's trying to suck me back into another long, but...
To be honest, I think I might going to close this one here.
I actually think we're going to sweep the 225s one more time, Tom. At least.
I mean, lots of equal lows down there.
Yeah,
that's true.
That's what I'm looking at. So I think we sweep through that one more time. A little liquidity grab at least. And then maybe we bounce. But ideally, I'd like to see a pullback into the 15.
Does anybody else trading, or is just you and me on the whole internet?
I don't know. Is anybody else on? I'm sure there's got to be other people trading. Husk is on.
Nice.
Volatility is on. Stock Tiger is on.
All right.
But nobody. Let me see. Is anybody? Let's see.
So this is prime time for small streamers.
Yeah. Let me see here. Anybody else on? This guy. Day trading with Matt. I don't know who that is. He's got quite a bit of viewers though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about it. I don't really see. Oh yeah, Live Prop Firm is live.
Mm-hmm.
That's really it. I don't see too many other people.
Yeah, Naomi, I don't know what is happening here.
The smart people decided to take the day off.
Yeah.
Is
Yeah,
bare chested
I
trading
think-
on? Is there a bare chested trading?
Yeah, Keem. Bulenox is 91% off. Keem. Yeah. Only option 1 accounts though. Option 2 accounts, today is the last day you can get it for 75% off. Option 2 accounts, today is the last
No.
day for a while.
Claudia's in along from 335. Probably okay. He does reversals pretty cool. Yeah, I haven't seen him before. So, Treff, I was looking it up, man. I never know. You're scalping 5 points. Claudia, I think you're okay. I think this thing ripped. I mean, it feels to me like it goes higher.
Yeah, me too. I think it's just going to go. Well, I tried.
How long you trading today, Tom?
I mean, oh, that's it. I mean, I had a good trade. Actually, not a good trade. I had a good trade at the open. There was no open after 9:30, and I had 2 losses now on another evaluation account. So let's see. Today, on one My Funded Futures evaluation account, I made $215, and the other one is down $135 with this one. I haven't taken a trade on any of my funded accounts today.
Yeah, me either. That did look like a bull flag breakout there, though, didn't it?
Yeah. It definitely did. So,
There comes
unfortunate for me.
Here comes the opening print in play here, 243.
Yeah, I'm telling you that we're going to the 50s.
Yeah, I feel like we go higher too.
Yeah. A little bit tempted to jump in.
I mean, you could maybe scalp it through the 43 for 5 points. Maybe wait for a little pullback.
Yeah.
See if you get a little pullback before it sweeps the 43. Maybe retest the 32s, 33 area.
No problem, Keem. You will win. Hey there. Entry 227, waiting for 55. Yeah, I think it could be hitting the 50s up there. Sonia says 37 done. Okay, let's go.
I'll try a little scalp off the 36.
You going long?
Yeah, I'm just going to go from 36 to 43. What is that, 7 points?
Hey, Yoshevs, thank you.
I think we go to the 43. I mean, I actually think we go higher, but...
Yeah, it might go higher.
Done for the day? Yeah, Vince. Initial balance will be right there at 43, but I don't know if it really plays today. We'll see. All right, we're tagged in.
Ooh, look at this. What's happening here?
Shock of the hour?
Most likely. Okay.
Shock
Technically
of
reprice.
the hour. Tom, I thought you came up with that saying.
Who?
You, shock of the hour.
It's not from me, it's from you.
No, I thought I got it from you. All right, I'm in 3 minis, Tom.
All right, let's go.
This is either going to be bueno or no bueno. Only looking for 5 points on the first 2. What are you in with over there?
I'm watching the for a possible scalp here. Maybe I jump in.
You're in with 10
All right,
minis?
let's.
You the man.
No, no. Not 10 minis.
Oh.
Maybe a few micros. Maybe.
I'm going to try to be patient here and let this thing hit the TP there, the first one, before I put my stop in. But, you know, 3 minis is kind of heavy-handed here. Oh, you dirty girl. She went 1 tick from my TP there, Tom.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm about to just take these off. I don't want to be this heavy into it, you know. I do think it pops, but all right, there it goes.
Look at that. Now it's going.
And I'm going to trail my stop up here just because. Okay, there we go. No need.
Oh, wow.
Booyaka!
Oh, wow.
Your TP is there. No worries. Yeah, nice job, CK. Good job.
So it should be popping into the 50s now.
Nice, guys. It is running. I told you guys we should have got long when Tom got short.
Yeah.
The Tom Sabo
again,
indicator.
that 252 is actually looking good up there.
Yeah, I like that area too because you got that kind of that psychological level at 250.
Spoken like a true YouTuber. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. All right, catch you tomorrow, Ash. See ya.
Yeah, we are chill today, Crypto Life. We are just,
We're always chill.
we're always, yeah. Especially Methodical Man. He's trading with zero emotions.
Yeah, I'm always got zero emotions on my evaluation account. Now, if I was on my funded account, the emotions would be high.
Yeah.
Not really.
Look at this. Is it going to pop the 50s? I'm just curious if it will. Out of curiosity, I'm really curious if it wants to pop the 50s.
I mean, the overnight high sitting up there at 281.
Mm-hmm.
So we did sweep the Asia low. We still have an SMT with the ES. ES never swept the Asia low.
I am not going to be the new Topstep indicator. But actually, fading the Topstep house account can actually make you good profit.
Yeah.
Everybody's saying that you can make profit if you're fading them. So I might as well try it. I might as well do this.
Yeah, we'll see 96. Candle close at one price and then open at a different, leaving a gap. Volume imbalance, John. Yeah, there are quite a few because there's low volume today. Joseph, a high probability trade to take in the opening 30 minutes. I don't know what to suggest. In the first 30 minutes, you're going to have the most volatility. So, you can kind of just jump in with the
Ashevs,
trend.
thank you for being here. Sorry, Ashevs, thank you for being here. Sorry, I didn't see you there. Have a good one. Thanks for dropping in. Sorry.
Yes, John. We're doing good, Trader Oracle. Here's our P&L. We're only trading an eval, though. So I'm not trading with Topstep right now, Dave, but I like Topstep. I think Tom might have a Topstep account.
I don't have a Topstep. I had one. I'm not banned anymore, by the way. Topstep. So,
CK, you can't stream because you're not allowed to share your trades. What? Who said that?
you can't stream if you're trading with Topstep.
Oh, is that right? Who said that? You're not banned anymore. Hold my beer.
I mean, you can do what you want.
Oh, goodness. Well, it's weird that if you can't share it, why would you not be able to share your trades? I don't know. I mean, if that's something I don't know about, let me know. I have no idea. Tom, it hit your 52? Not quite, huh? 47?
Yeah, almost up there. 47 something. It went to 47.25-ish. It's not at 52 yet.
Do we get one
But
more
anyway.
push?
Who knows?
Thank you, Trader Oracle. Appreciate you. Oracle, you didn't trade today, did you? Talking about FTMO is not allowed. Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, I don't know anything about FTMO.
FTMO is not allowing share.
That I don't think FTMO is in the United States, right? You made 3K and logged off. Let's go. That would be interesting if companies were like, "Oh, you can't share your trades." You know what I mean? That would be kind of interesting. I think we'll get another pop up, Tom. I'm kind of tempted to jump back in for a little scalper.
Nah, I'm not going to pull the trigger here.
I'm tempted on it. A little scalper-rooney.
Yeah, I mean, looks good to go for that 52. I like that level, but no. No.
I'm tempted, Tom. Are you going to keep me out of this? All right.
You do what you have to do if you want to jump in.
I was just thinking a little 5-point scalp back through the high there, 48, but
the problem is that it's 5 point. I don't have nerves to hold a 5-point trade.
What up, Peter? All right, Trev, appreciate you. You don't take 5-point scalps, Tom?
Well, the problem is I do, and those usually are the trades that makes me into tilt, into tilt, and I just do crazy stuff.
Little Tom on tilt.
Yeah. So actually, as I look back on my full tilt days, it always starts with a scalp trade for a few points. That's how it starts always. So as long as I'm sticking to the plan and I lose the trade, that's all right. But if I just go in for a few points with the mini, everything starts to go downhill.
All right, I'm back in, Tom.
Good luck.
I'm not going to go for 5 points, though. I'm actually going to move it up a little bit. We're going to go for like 50, 55.
Yeah, that's also good. 50.
I'm only risking 6 points here. Tom Sabo is the Al Brooks of our generation. Excellent. That's Trader Oracle saying that, Tom.
All right. Hey, Trader Oracle.
So I'll probably go break even. We'll see here. The ES has got to pop the 44 here. Otherwise, we might turn
Well,
back
if this
down.
one wants to push, here would be the time to go. Hey, Vonnie, thank you for the subscription. Welcome.
Let's see here. ES got to get through that 44 time. Otherwise, this could just turn back down. That's also the opening print for the ES, the 44, right? I think so.
Maybe.
All right, if it pops it, I think we go. I think we get a little bit of a candle here. A little bit of a boner.
Yeah, that could happen.
But so far, not popping it.
Yeah.
Oh, just keep long and higher and higher and higher. That's all. I mean, what could go wrong, right?
Well, it now it looks like a bullish flag, so it still feels like it wants to push there. But there's a small volume imbalance right down there on the 1 minute at 39.50. I think it wants to go down there, reprice that area, and then go higher. I don't know if I want to take that risk.
There's a lot of imbalances today, though. That's what we were just talking about. If you look around, I mean, you got one even lower on your chart at the 32s.
Yeah.
Claudia
That's
is
why
also
I'm not
long.
really.
It's got to go to the moon,
Yeah.
Tom.
But without me.
No, jump on in there. Come on, let's go.
No.
Go 15 micros.
No. I'm not doing it.
The volume imbalance word is getting Trader Oracle wet. Oh. Oh, goodness. I do think we might go down here. I mean, there's a higher, decent probability we pull back.
Yeah, so there's the 5-minute gap down there, and you know, we could see a nice sell-off into that gap.
I am kind of longing into the area that we said we might tap into and then turn back down. But you know what design says, it only goes up. So
Yeah. This market only goes up, that's for sure.
where's Kid Poker at today? I haven't seen Kid Poker. Anybody seen Kid Poker? Where is Kid Poker when you need him? I know the other day he was saying that he was done, but I don't believe him.
Full port Monday. Full port Monday, that's what they're saying.
Yeah, it's only 15
Okay.
micros, Tom. Come on.
Yeah.
It's only 1.5
Should I go?
mini.
Should I go? Should I go? Are you in a trade, by the way?
I'm long.
You're long?
Yeah, 242.
Jesus, I missed my entry here.
Yeah, he said
too
goodbye
late
over
for
here
me to
too,
get in.
scalping, but I don't know.
All right, I jumped into a long as well for the stream.
Man, let's go ahead and reverse our position.
I know, right? I want to
just turn
see
it
this
around.
go. I'm just looking for like 49.75 just for a quick scalp. That's it.
Looking for where?
That's what I'm
55?
I'm just looking for 49.75. I'm just looking for a few points.
Okay. Don't set
Yeah.
yourself off on tilt though.
No.
Oracle
No,
said
this is
Kid
just
Poker checked himself into the Short Addicts Medical Clinic for therapy. Because he's always short when the market's going up. I know a few people like that are counter trend traders. They love to counter trend. Kyle, damn good trading for sure. He does that.
Nice, Anthony. Congratulations. That's good. Let's go. Nice job. $968. Let's go, Anthony. Let's go. That's good.
Yeah, this is I don't love this position, but we'll give it a try. Two-step eval prop firms. Topstep's not two-step. Bluesky and Funded Futures Network. I'm not familiar with them Tech T, but Topstep's only one step. They used to be two-step.
Basically, if you think, well, it's one step, but if you really think about it, every futures prop firm is basically two-step, right? Because you have to go to the safety threshold at most of these prop firms.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
So basically it's two-step if you look at it. So even the Apex is two-step. First step
Yes.
is 3,050K. Second step is 2,600. So that's the second step. So two-step. DHA, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel.
All right, here we go. Here's the pop, Tom.
All
Yes,
right.
is trying to push. Let's see what we
Let's
can do. Oh, it
go.
popped the 44. Let's go. Get higher.
I'm in with 10 micros.
10 mics? Oh, man. He put the balls on the table. The boys on the table.
Yeah.
We blew those accounts, Trader Oracle. We blew those in like 2 days. We smoked those accounts.
Should I move my stop here? Oh, let's go. Into the 50s. Come on.
Let's give it a moment, Tom. Give it a moment.
The micros are more expensive. I think one micro round trip is like $2 or $2.50 or something. I don't know. But it's way more expensive than a mini. Come on.
I'm going to move my stop into
right.
profit here by 2 points. Still targeting
Okay,
that 55.
this account is back to profit. The one that I was in drawdown, I am back to $74 in profit. That is awesome.
Yes,
So
just
I'm
got the
green.
pivot. Great job, Tom, though, getting back to profit. I like it.
Me too, man.
I never doubted you.
I know you didn't. I know you haven't.
Never doubted your ability.
I know.
I'm probably just going to go ahead and take this. Take my 6 points. I mean, give it a chance to pop, but I'm just 1 point behind. Going to have a little 50 drama here, probably. What'd you call, Tom? 52? We at 50.75.
Yeah, 52, but
That's a wee wop candle? It is.
that's a volume weighted average price candle.
It
yeah,
is.
I think.
We're up $863 on this eval now. Let's go.
That is good. That is awesome.
Nice job, Robert. Tom, you should have been slinging around those minis, man. Sling around those minis.
I don't have the nerves for it, man. You have the nerves for it. I don't. I just don't.
All right, Tom, I gotta step out of the room for a moment. You take over.
All right, no problem. Okay, everybody. You know the drill. Everybody just come to my stream, subscribe. Use the best cheat no. All right. So everybody. We should do something about Methodical Man stream here. I don't have access, but I am actually a mod. Should we kick everybody out or something? I don't know. Yeah, Mad Moxie. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, maybe they get the wrong vibe. Yeah, Captain Price. Anyway, what can we do here? You know, when I see Methodical Man stream, he always seems like to me like he's somewhere up in the stars. Like his background is moving all these what are those? Are those bubbles or stars or some trash in the wind, or I don't know what the hell is that. But to me it seems like that he's always up in the stars. Anyway, we have to find some better background for him. Oh, he's back. He's back. Don't say anything.
Do you know that I can hear you?
All right.
Oh. Do you know that I can hear you? That little Cat Williams thing.
Oh, you do? All right. By the way, Methodical Man, you should change your Tick Trader code there because I'm not sure if that direct off 40 works anymore. Or is it?
Probably not. I don't know. Maybe it's 30%.
You should change it. The evaluation accounts are at TTT40 eval. Or you can have your custom code there.
Do I have a custom code with Tick Direct? I don't know.
It has the same back office like Bulenox, so you can add your custom code there.
Maybe I already did, and I just didn't update it. Tom gave out my bank info. He doesn't know that.
I did. Yeah.
He definitely doesn't know that.
Stock market closed. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, it's 100.
See you later, Robert. Thank you for being here.
So do I have to go in here and change this every time? I didn't even know that.
Yeah, so Tick Trader is a little bit crazy with the codes because they're changing all the time everything, just like Bulenox. So you have to update your code just to make sure you have the latest. And for the evaluation account, there is no custom code. So you always have to go with the standard code with Tick Trader, which is TTT40 eval for the evaluations. You only have custom code for instant funded accounts.
Oh, that's it. Direct. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You hacked the bank, but it had zero balance. Exactly. You got to get the balance from. You got to transfer it over. All right, Robert. We'll see you.
Oh yeah.
To, you got to transfer over some money for me. Appreciate you. I think this thing's just grinding higher here, Tom.
Yeah, I think so too.
Are we going to end up at 281? Do we have time? Let's see. Yeah, you got an hour and a half. You got time.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
It's getting slower.
What do you think then?
I think I'm going to call it here for myself because I don't see anything else to trade here. And I ended up in the green. I don't want to do stupid trades here.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
All right,
So-
Tom, well, we appreciate you joining us.
It was my honor to be here.
I will send you the
So,
check in
thank-
the mail.
All right, no problem.
We'll see you.
All right, see ya.
All right, I kicked Tom out of here. We kicked him out. We had to get rid of old Tom. Now let's make sure you guys can't hear my stuff anymore, though. Because, you know, I'll get flagged. Yeah, it doesn't look like you can hear it. When low volume isn't used to go up. Usually it just kind of grinds in one direction. What's the best hand lotion? I mean, you could go with a little CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. You always want to get the pump size, you know, for that. Oh. Bring T.O. live? Yeah, I wouldn't mind having T.O. live. We've done that. I think I had T.O. one time before on. Didn't I have T.O. on one time before? I'm pretty sure I did. Moisturizers and some French names. Do it. Rocher. La Roche Posay. Yeah. Oh. I don't know what you're talking about, Mad Moxie. That's your mind that's the problem. I don't know what you mean. Yeah, they pay out, Sorrel, as far as I know. I personally have never gotten a payout, but it seems fine. Maybe that's why nobody buys Tick Tick for me from me. I don't know. So you got to use the link and standard codes, banners and link. That's weird. Why do they make you do that? Huh. Oh well. Anyways. How many PAs allow for Elite Trader funding? 3, I believe. Is that right? The dog knows. Yeah, he does. You did say something about FTMO, but I did not hear. I just don't know anything about FTMO, CK. I think they're not in the United States. So they're not in the United States, as far as I know. Here's another breakout. Could be another long spot. I'm going to sit that one out. Yeah, I don't know a whole lot about FTMO. Need a break of the 50s. Yeah, I think we get through there this time. I think the next push gets you higher. I mean, I think we run the overnight highs, 281. It's only 30 points. I think that's where we're heading. Yeah, CK, that's what I was just saying. I think that's where we're headed. Well, actually, that's not the London high, huh? Is it? Yeah, I guess technically. I mean, this thing's just riding this 1 minute trend up. You literally could just buy every pullback. Doesn't really have many overshoots, really. It could run back through there quickly, but I don't see that happening today. $100 a day. No, Vince, you can make whatever you want. As long as it's below the 40% rule. That's all that matters. What's Husk got going on over here? Oh, he's long. Husk is long on this breakout. Claudia's long again. I think it pushes. Looks like it. I mean, ES is above the pivot. The only thing I'd say be careful about is the ES is approaching the highs again. So you could get another SMT here. We already had one earlier. So... Small green clarity. Let's go. 11:51 minute got inversed. 10:50. I'm assuming. Oh, over here. Indeed. I mean, that is higher up, but there's not really enough volume here to, like, I don't know. I think it still goes. I mean, I could just jump in long here and just hold it, but I'll just be careful because the ES is approaching the high. We could get some sort of dumpage out of this area. It really, I mean, like if it wanted to, this is low resistance, right? Low resistance liquidity here. So out of nowhere, if it wanted to, you could just get an elevator. I don't think that's going to happen today, but could. Nah, Clarity, I didn't. Oh, it doesn't allow your country? That sucks. Where are you at, Sorrel? Nah, no PAs today, only Bulenox. Obviously, it would have been nice if we traded the PAs. Up $800. That'd be nice. Holy cow. What's going on here? Took $72 on the pro account in London. Could have had a lot more, but didn't find out. If you know what I mean. Yeah, of course. Of course. We get it. That's why I'm not trading a funded account today, because you don't want to mess around and find out. Although, seems like it would have worked. Maybe Takamura. I kind of think so. ES just might double top here. So I just be careful. I think very high to be longing. Obviously, we've done it a couple of times. We opened the day with a short trade, break even, entered again for a nice little run lower. Took a long that failed. I didn't have my stop probably far enough. Another long that worked. 2 contracts there. Then we longed here, took a loss. Longed here again, got the W. Longed here again, got the W. Tech T, there's not really any Topstep deals. You get 20% off if you're a new customer using someone's link. But, yeah. Yeah, Newts, this is very, very slow. Very grindy, very choppy, but just grinding higher. You could go to Cammy's Discord or Cammy's description of his videos, Cammy Capital. He's probably the my favorite YouTuber with Topstep, I guess. I like Cammy, so if I'm going to recommend anyone's, I would say his. Looks like an S&P 500 daily chart like 7 years ago. Over like 7 years, yeah. I mean, you could just be scalping this on the way up. You really could. It's moving so slow. You could probably go five points, take profit, 5 points stop, and be fine off the trend line. ES just double topped up there at the 147s. I'm going to take a little bounce here. Little overshoot of the trend line. Got the 50 here that's been untouched since the cross. So, yeah, Ellis, I agree. You could just dump. I mean, we just double topped on the ES, but we'll see here. I'm going to give it a little chance. See if we get a little 50 bounce. Added into it there. Gotta make sure I turn the sound back over tomorrow. Actually, I can turn it back on now, because you guys are not listening to that now. I like the sounds. Maybe we are going to get a little elevator. This is the 50K events, 50K option 1. 50K option 1. I'm okay with holding this. We're up like $800-900, so if we lose a few hundred here, I'm okay with it. I'm going to see if the ES can hold the 144. That might put us back into the VWAP area. Might just be a little liquidity grab lower here before it pushes higher. We'll see. Although if you are looking for a short, that kind of would be your short trigger, right? It will come 10:55 candle, maybe. About another 20 minutes. ES stepped back below the pivot point there. Got the initial balance high at 144 still. Central time is the best time. I do like Central time when I'm in the Central time zone, like trading. In the booklet. right, see if we hold the VWAP here or not. Maybe we do get the elevator today. Maybe we're wrong about the elevator. Takamura shorting. So you're just shorting the very first cross, Takamura. I see what you're saying. Oh, Topstep X. You don't like it, Esco? That is a solid wick, but a lot of times it'll make these wicks and then just run right back through them. If we could turn this back green. Just froze on you? Yeah. I haven't used it in a while. I used to use it. It was okay. They gave me those free Topstep X accounts, and I used it then. End of the day, plus 800. Let's go. Get scared. I like it. I like it. Price side, you close the trade before it crashed. Let's go. I might just get out of this on the retest of the 9 for a small loss. For a small loss. We'll see. We shall see. I'll put my stop in down here. I actually don't even love it right there, to be honest, but really want it to just go ahead and bounce back up here, but didn't really feel like it wants to. I'm going to reduce risk here. I think it could bounce, but actually I'm not. Let's kind of play it by ear. Yes, pushing back above the pivot point here. See if it holds. Oh, they might, Claudia. Very well could be. Yes, pushing back up here, 146. Let's see if Nasdaq wants to follow. So ES kind of breaking out a little bit here. You're thinking a short up here? Probably. I don't think that's unreasonable. I might just get out up in that area. Did you get 10 points on that cross? Or not? Takamura. Looks like it was close. I'm not quite sure when you would have got in, but... $44 to $33. Nice job, Takamura. 33 being VWAP support, yeah. I think a sweep of this area might make sense too, but just trying to give it a moment since the ES showing some signs of life here to the upside. I think that could push us higher, but we'll see. Still holding a runner with a stop at the 53 high. Nice. We're just not moving over here. Yes, pushing towards the high. Powder keg, no doubt. It's definitely way slower. Feels like it's going to push down now. ES didn't make a new high there. Maybe like a little failed pivot here. EMA is pushing below the 50 there. 50 EMA. Could be CC. I don't know. I think it'd probably retest that imbalance. Maybe retest my entry. See if I can't get out there. Could just kill it here, but yeah, we got like 11 minutes left. Or, I'm sorry, 6 minutes. Just going to try to get out break even if I can. And be happy with that. Maybe I'll leave one up here and then I'll just move the stop to break even. We'll get a pump back through my entry. All right, I'm going to move the stop up to here now. I don't want to see it come back to here. And if it does, then I don't want to be in it. So we'll give it a little chance to go. Is there a reason that you don't trade Topstep? Tech Team, not really, other than the fact that I'm not an affiliate with them. I do like them. Just waiting for lunch. Yeah, Trev. 248 of the 15 could be a Ropper. Let's see. Yeah, I like Topstep, and I will probably eventually get some accounts with them, but for right now, I don't have any. Yeah, we got 15 seconds to the new 15-minute candle. Let's see what happens. Is my entry going to be just a brick wall now since it's right there at the initial balance high? I'm going to reduce the risk once again here. Stopped out on, or got that TP there. So now we'll put the stop in. See if it can go. All right, stopped out. Yeah, it's just too higher probability that this might turn down, so it still could go. But much more likely that you kind of Getting out break even there seems fine. $49 for a combine, yeah. Activation fee $149, $150 basically. Tech 2. Seller rejection on this one thus far, but is it bait or is it fate? We'll see. Yeah, I agree there, Trev. Plus, I was in two minis, right? Two minis right there. Could go. That's fine if it does. I don't mind it, but I don't think shorting here is a horrible idea. I really don't. Especially if the ES goes, give a couple more ticks there. Push back through the high, a little double top action, 147.50 maybe. And then give us a little SMT here. You could short there. So maybe one more pop without making a new high here. I mean, it doesn't even really matter if it does make a new high. You're still going to have an SMT. Because the ES already ran this high up here earlier. Didn't it? Yep. ES ran the overnight high earlier. Use mini is so difficult. Yeah. I will, Treff, at some point. I'm thinking about having one account where I trade a little differently using the micros, but, you know, obviously this one, I don't know. Yeah, CK trades, I don't mind a short here. I think it's okay. I mean, I really do. Play off the double top on the ES. You could see a little elevator here. I mean, realistically, you could just risk. I mean, it's just 9 points. You could just have your stop at this swing. Be nice to hold the 30 seconds, get another pop. We'll see. You're going to short near 247? I might short too. We'll see. Why not? If the EMAs cross here, maybe we jump in short. Oh, the 30s. I mean, I don't hate one more pop. Coming to the macro, we're going to learn something right here. Or maybe we don't. Might just sit here in the same area. Someone said might close right here near the VWAP. I think that might be the case. Maybe that was Claudia. Close right near the VWAP, might most likely. Potentially. I mean, if we're thinking about where liquidity is resting, you got a lot of trend line liquidity here that could be ran. I mean, is there more liquidity there? Is that liquidity stronger? All right, here we go. It's the macro time. Nothing really happened. Yeah, for sure, Trev. For sure. 100%. I really don't hate a short here, to be honest. I might try one. We're going to try it. We'll lose this 50 EMA here. We should be able to go here. We'll just target a little VWAP touch here. Nothing crazy. Those interesting little blips right there. Did you guys notice that? Let's see. Yeah, CK kind of makes sense, right? It could go up. It could very well take that low. We shall see. $10-point stop here. I was kind of wanting to see the ES like pop, make that high, Nasdaq not, and then take the short, but it wasn't doing it. Looks like it might do it now. We're also generating a little trend line liquidity right here. It's not huge, but it is there. Stop to break even on this short at 36.50. Kind of this wick here. So that's when I would move my stop down to break even if we get it. See if we get a little elevator here going into the end of the day. Small elevator. We're not looking for a big elevator. Although, to be honest with you, I do like this area down here to be taken. 226s. All these wicks down here. Nah. Could target that. I'll probably just stick to this. I might add into this if the ES makes a new high here. May add into the short. But let's see. I'm speaking in terms as if we're like on a normal day and we're really not. We really are not. You're waiting for the EMA cross up to fail for the elevator down, but could take my stop first before going down. Let's hope not. Stop to break even. Need to sweep it here. I might. Push back down to the low of this wick. I'm going to lock in the 36. So I want to see it pushed back down below here. Might get stopped out here. I don't know. Probably should just leave the stop at break even. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. And then what I'll do is I'll lock in this wick if we move back below this wick. Because then I expect the target to just be hit. Without a bounce. It's so funny. It looks like a big move. It's like 5 points. Oh, that's a huge move. Nope, 5 points. All right, so now I'm going to lock in this wick. So it should be target or 5 points. All right, whatever. 5 points. We'll take it. Your TP's also there. Yeah, I do think we sweep these wicks. I mean, I even think this is a interesting area to sweep into. Maybe like, maybe sweep through there, bounce. Could just end the day going down, though. Who knows? You're still in it. You believe. You believe. Yeah. No, I think it goes down, too, a bit. I don't know how far. That's the only thing. It's like, I really like that 26 area for it to take that out. But I don't think it's going to wick through it. I think it's going to be like, bounce. But I don't know. I could be wrong. CK still in it too. Let's go. Excuse me. Two minutes until the shock of the hour. Let's see what that does. What up, Greg? How you doing? The shock of the hour. 2 minute gap is your last support level. Is that like right there? Yeah. I mean, could even reshort here. I don't know. Dangerous. 25 seconds until the shock of the hour. Let's see what happens. Does it indeed run us down into the 26s? Just need to hold the 30s is what I was thinking. If we can come back up, pop a rapper. Yeah, we're holding the 30s for now. 1 second till the shock of the hour. We're going to bounce off the 30. I'm going to look for a VWAP bounce. I think we get a little reaction here. Maybe not. No VWAP bounce so far. Zero reaction from the VWAP, pretty much. Risk 6 points here. Probably get stopped. We'll see. Hey, let's go. Alyssa. Awinya, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Bounce off the initial balance high there for the ES. Little push up. No, I'm long. Yeah, I think 226 makes sense. I'm just looking for just a little bounce off the VWAP. It's not really doing it, which is fine. Got me. Oh, long on your CP? Yeah. I mean, I think this area makes a lot of sense. I was just, playing off the VWAP there. Like, maybe we'll get a little bounce. I'm probably longed a couple points off the VWAP. Yeah, 1.5. Now it wants to pop, huh? I'm going to try a little 9 touch here. You got out for 9 points. Don't like the VWAP stall. I still think it pushes lower, Takamura. I don't know, though. I could be wrong. At least into this, clean this area out here would be my thought process. It's going to take it off right there. Triple equal lows. I guess I should have waited for it to push through there. All right. That gets us over $1,000 for the day. Yeah, I think this area right here is ripe for the picking. This thing could just go lower, guys. I mean, really, it could just... I mean, we could end the day down here somewhere. I don't know. But I do think this level gets ran for, like, pretty high probability. Holy Earth is short. Let's go. See kind of what happens here. See if we get if we get a bounce out of this level, then I think maybe we end the day back up. But short. Yep, let's go. The angels. Found some support here earlier, so we'll see if it bounces here, if it sweeps it or not. Is this the last hour of the market? Yes, Christy. Closes at 1 Eastern. 124 previous low. Good luck, sir. That is a long ways to go. Could go there. I mean, this is the Nasdaq we're talking about, of course, but $223. I think that's reasonable. It could go much lower. Here's the thing, I mean, if we lose this 26 level strong, I mean, you would expect this to kind of like, you know, let's say it wicks below, like, and then gives a little retest, holds, and then maybe. All right, there we go. Cleaned out those equal lows there. Yeah, those pop-ups, yeah. It's definitely sleepy right here, Trev, for sure. Let's go, CK. Nice job. We could just sweep this liquidity, hold, and continue higher. I want to see a little bit more of a push lower into maybe the 220. And then bounce. Retest. Yes is also at the initial balance high right here, 144s once again. 144s. Let's see, if I was short, I would not like that reaction, but we'll see what happens. Did sweep that liquidity there, so could just bounce from here. Really could. Maybe keep your stop above the trail it to above the VWAP there. What up, David? 1 o'clock Eastern, so we got about, what time is it? 52 minutes. Yeah, let's go. I mean, it's not a, it's an, I guess it is when you're looking at it from that perspective, you really do just have to have, you know, confidence, right? Maybe. Barely broke the 30s, but if we hold, we may come down. You still favor highs? Yeah. CK, it's just methodical, man. Yeah, just follow me at Methodical Man. I don't post on there very often, but I do need to get more active. Let me see. Yeah, this one's me. Methodical Man. The ugly guy with no beard in his Georgia hat. So that's me. There you go. I posted the link. Yeah, it could bounce here. I mean, we bounced here last time, so that's, you know, it's kind of what you look at, right? It's like, okay, this is where we kind of held last time and bounced. We'll see. I just followed you back there, Con. One to 6 p.m. February 25th support mess. You need to work on patience, Tom. Yeah, me too. This is kind of what I was talking about a minute ago. You want to see the break through that level, hold it, you know, maybe retest, and then you can maybe take the short. That would be like a little extra confirmation that maybe we're running lower. And I mean, from a fib perspective, you know, What could kind of be your target here? I mean, we actually just tapped the 50%, so... Well, didn't quite get there, but... It's a little on the scary side. 215 maybe? Did the ES looking a bit stronger here, I think. Yeah, ES is nowhere near, or it needs to pull back into the 140 to get to the 50% mark. So you could short here. Closing shot with small green. This is perfect day to blow accounts. Yeah, true, Takamura. Yeah, I do that too, Tom. It could, Outer. I mean, it could, right? Could push down maybe, yeah, like 215 area. I mean, that's right there where we were just talking about. So maybe that. But, man, I don't know. The fact that this almost tapped the 50, it's off by just a few ticks, is a little scary. It's a little scary, to be honest. Still could push lower. I am tempted to short this and just take it to this wick. Could just put my stop there. I mean, really kind of a cheap trade. I'm going to wait. The big bearish candles this morning, you think that the NQ retracement did not break out? Yeah. The move down certainly still grindy, but see, I was right to get out of my trade here, though. I was worried, you know, that we would get an SMT, double top on the ES. So I was right to get out of my longs there. Knew they were risky to begin with. We broke the 9 EMA on the 15. Nice. 2-minute ESCO. Let's check it out. Yeah. I mean, we tapped into a small gap there and bounced. Yeah. I don't. The 9 touch on the 2-minute there. Been good, Zilmi. How you been doing? Could take a cheap. I mean, I still think this is such a cheap short, but I mean, theoretically, stop loss hunts can give us a long. Yeah, they could. No farm frame. Yeah, waste of time. Yeah, Timothy, it is. I mean, it's choppy, but still fine. Small spots. I do think the ES might retest the 41. Dan Furs, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. You been off for a while? Nice. Such volume. Watch out. She's a rudder. She's a ripper. I'm going to try it. Oh, I didn't mean to get back in with 2. Oh, my goodness, guys. It's fine. I'll just leave it. I didn't mean to get in with 2 here. I forgot that was on 2. To pass Bulenox 50K, full port 7 cons for 22 points. Yeah. Touche, Vince. I do it all the time. Yeah, right at the 50 fib, Dan. Pretty close to it. Pretty close. ES still has more room to go, though. But it is more bullish than the Nasdaq, so it may not get there. Let's see if we get one more push down here. I'll probably go stop into break even fairly quickly because I don't want to give up too much. $226 print. Yeah, it did. Next target 219. Maybe. That would be nice. It's always fun when you enter with double the size you meant to, right? Like to push back to the 40s. No, Esco, no. It could. Yeah, it could. Kind of watching the ES here. If it pops the 144, I will kill this. I was okay with taking it with 1 and giving it a little more room, but now that we're in with 2 on accident, I don't think I want to do that. ES is just not moving here. It's just stuck. If you ask, I never short such zones. I don't know, CK. I was going to short it just for the pushback into the 20s one more time. But it's fine. Obviously, the short was, much higher. But that's all right. We are not moving. All right, I'm just going to get out of one of these because I don't want to be in 2 to begin with. Kind of see if we get back below this wick here at the 22. Slow grinding low mode. Yeah. Yeah, I'm holding it, Trev. I just got out of 1 just because I didn't mean to be in 2. Probably should have just killed it immediately. Again, if the ES kind of pops the 140, I'll probably kill it. Or 144. We'll see. Show where you put your orders. If you go to settings, visual trading. What do you mean? Like these orders or my previous trades? What are you talking about? Because if you're looking for previous trades, it'd be here. But if you're talking about orders, it would be here. How many losses did you take per trade? I really don't know. My win percentage on my funded accounts are like 70%, 74, somewhere in there. I just take inverse trades on those. So yeah, just go to trades and show. Show trades. This is an eval. I'm going to be more aggressive on an eval than I am on funded. If this closes doji and small, the next candle should be a doozy. We'll see. I'm hungry today, guys. It's lunchtime. Doing good, Lassie. How you doing? Yeah, the volume's very bad. I mean, we're not moving right here. Let's be honest. All right, ES is creeping above the 44 level there. So I'm going to reduce my stop. Actually, I'll just leave it. We're not, I mean, it's just 8 points. But ES kind of reclaiming the 44 leads me to believe we're probably going to go back to the highs. So, yeah, we're doing okay for the year. Could be better. Behind on my goals, but, you know, a lot of time to make it up. So, a lot of time. $10 payouts. Let's go. Yes, it does, Vince. 36 minutes. It will be closed. I do think we get stopped out here now. Let's see. You gonna take the 5 to 6 points? I don't blame you. If this push down gets back to my entry, I might just get out. Or at least close. Because I think this is just like a 50 EMA reaction, and I think it's going to go higher. VWAP, 50 EMA. All right, just got out of there. A little soupy soup. We are kind of breaking, yeah, we do make a little higher low here. All right, Lassie, appreciate you. I don't know. I think it probably going higher is my lean, but we'll see. Maybe not. I mean, you could take a cheap long here. 7 points. We shall see. Oh, gonna make some hamburgers for lunch. Hopefully, hopefully the meat's thawed out. Actually, I still have some taco stuff from last night. I'll make tacos. Neo, are you shorting? Off that VWAP touch there? I don't know. It could still go down, but I don't know. Yeah, I like the tacos. The tacos are good. Tacos are for Tuesday. Darn it. I'll probably have more tomorrow too, John. Really, right now I'm eating eggs, tacos, and hamburgers. That's basically what my diet is going to be consisting of right now. Eggs, tacos, and burgers. Yeah, a little 2-minute breakout too. Yeah. 3 minute, The entry would have been right there, 229. Yeah. You're long. Let's go. Jalapeno, cheddar, mushroom, bacon, burger, tots, and one string bean. Mine's more like salt and pepper. Wash your sister sauce. Yeah, that's it. That's what I put in my burger. Worcestershire sauce. Wash your sister. Yeah. And then, yeah, that's it. And then I put a half slice of cheese, some mustard, a little mustard. If you can't say Worcestershire sauce, then you just say wash your sister sauce. Yeah. You always see need to break out as turtle soup in a downtrend unless downtrend has been important position. Yeah. Wash your sister sauce. I can't remember where I heard that. Somewhere. I said that on Nutty Stream one time when Nutty was talking about Worcestershire sauce. Put an egg on your burger. Yeah, I eat eggs. I eat a lot of eggs. I'm eating eggs now too, so I could put an egg on there. I mean, some people like to mix their meat and their eggs together and put some stuff on them. I really just keep it simple. Guys, this is so slow. I might just call it. We might just say, you know what? It's been a good day. Do we go for that $24? If we get above the 50 there, we're going to do it. Boom! Instant rejection. Rip it! Eggs, bacon. I like bacon too, but yeah, it is more slow than Asia. I agree. I like bacon, but it's one of those things. I don't have to have it, right? It's nice to add flavor for sure, but don't have to have it. Nice day, CK. You did great. Well, there you go. That's why you don't long into the VWAP, guys. The next 15-minute candle is going to go to the moon. I guess. To Mimi, we just traded to eval. It's this one right here that you see the P&L for, 932. We're in a trade right now. Even if we lose this trade, we'll still be up $800. So we took a long into the VWAP here. At the advice of Tom Sabo. Why are we listening to Tom Sabo? Gosh. Who listens to Tom Sabo? Hit the daily loss limit on eval. I would enter one con and it would enter me 3. Well, that's weird, man, Moxie. Good news about those daily loss limit on those is that it doesn't kill the account. You can just come back tomorrow and hopefully find better spots, right? So no big deal. Well, sure did come one tick from my take profit there. Sure did touch my take profit there. Oh. Sure did touch my take profit. Should start listening to him since he bought a BMW. He became a pro trader now. Uh-oh. Professional trader. Only to Methodical does it do that. Only to me does it touch my take profit and doesn't feel me. There he is. I knew he was lingering. I knew he was somewhere. Tom, did you see that? How it touched? It just touched it and said, no, thank you. They say people who drive Beamers are douches. I don't know. I don't know, Tom. Is that true? Is that true? All right. Now you're making me mad, Market. Now I'm going on tilt. I'm going on tilt. This is Quantower Himlaw. Quantower. Still. He got a BMW bed sheets as well. He probably did. You got a hat. You got a jacket. His underwear have a picture of his car on them. You're considered to be the biggest jerk. Uh-oh, Tom. Are you willing to accept those allegations? Hey, let's go. 100% win rate right there on that Tom Sabo call out. All right. Yeah, we did that just to get to 1,000 in profit again. It's the only reason we did that. Oh. Yes, any rhythmic connection will work typically on Quantower Himlaw. 40 push, yeah. We're coming. Relative equal highs up there as well. It just wanted to mess with me a little bit there before it went. Uh-oh. Highs are back in play, guys. The highs are back in play. I mean, I guess in hindsight on that short, in hindsight, I guess that's close enough to the 50, right? I mean, one tick off? Yeah. One tick off from the 50% there. In hindsight. Tom will answer the underwear question. He says, what underwear? That's what he says. All right, if you guys didn't know, Bulenox currently 91% off. Use the code MM for the best discount. And if you want to get the 75% off the option use MM1. And you got Apex 80% off. My Funded Futures 25% off the expert account. Take Profit Trader 50% off. Tradeify 30% off. Tick Trader is 40% off. Day Traders is 80% off. And Fideas, I don't know what it is, maybe like 70-something%. All with the code MM or the links in the description. That's going to do it for me today. We'll be back tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Traffic rules don't apply to you anymore. Let's go. But appreciate you guys watching. No funded accounts today, but up $1,000. So happy about that. We will see you